Welcome to Trader Prad and Miss V Show. It is Market Movers Tuesday, March 8th.
That's
It is
right,
right.
March 8th, International Women's Day. Shout out to all my ladies traders. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And guys, welcome. Please make sure you like this video, be active on the chat, and ask us anything. Any fire trades today?
Just being patient right now. Obviously, the market news coming in. The more stimmies, more money, more no problems. It's not more money, more problems. More money, no problems. So here comes in more stimmies, more money coming out from COVID aid. Good news accepted by the market. I was actually looking for a short in the market, but then that news coming out, I had to close my short on the futures, and now I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna clear this 4,200 level, which happens to be around where we closed yesterday, the 4,200 flat almost. I think we closed at 41.97, so let's just keep it nice and easy, 4,200. Obviously, we got as close to 4,200 as the market could at the moment on the ES. That is, so ES is your Nasdaq, or not Nasdaq, S&P 500. So I got close to 4,200, but then we're seeing some down move right now. Maybe some profit takings on that insane candles that we saw going all the way back to VWAP for the market. So here's your ES H22. This is what I was talking about. That insane move, man. I was looking for a short somewhere here, but good thing we stayed away. Insane pop from coming in from that news catalyst, so we're just gonna let it do what it wants to do overall, and stay away from it. But I do want to get in on that possible 4,200 break. We'll see. I think the market is gonna turn green today, especially with that catalyst that we saw come out of nowhere.
John Wilkins, my friend, thank you so much for your super chat. I believe we were chatting on the morning show and you're having a great profitable day. On CEI, I believe, please correct me on the chat, so congratulations and keep it up.
CEI one more time, another good move on energy stocks overall, man. Insane the catalyst that's going on in the Russia. Well, I think what Biden's supposed to come in. I'm seeing a news right now. Soon, President Biden to announce ban on Russian oil imports. That's gonna obviously take oil a little bit higher. What is crude oil today? I know I was looking at CVX and I'll show you my CVX trade. I kind of got what did one of the trainees say? I'm gonna steal one of the trainees' words. He said CVX mocked me. So I'll show you exactly how CVX mocked me and probably him too. But once again, your crude oil opening up near 130 and basically all-time high territories one time again, and just having struggles for oil prices. Yesterday, I was in the Uber ride, and the Uber driver was talking about how gas prices are insane, and he was in shock as to what's going on. And I was like, buddy, you living under a rock? What's going on? Look at what's going on in the world. Obviously, this is what's gonna happen a little bit, and then maybe that made him realize maybe not to drive an Uber for the next few months around,
Well,
because it's gonna be expensive.
that's right.
But yeah, CEI taking advantage of that move, 31%. I'll show you my CVX trade that I was talking about. I was actually looking at that 170 break. I saw in the work chat, Brandon called out CVX all-time highs. I pulled up CVX. It really pinged 170. It did not go higher than 170 at all, not even by a single penny. So I had the breakout entry long of 170. I don't know why I even took that breakout entry, because this market has been so bad for breakout entries, especially later on in the day. If you took it at 9:30, maybe 9:50, 9:45, the perfect time for breakout entries, it would have probably had that follow through that I'm looking for. But this one had no follow through, and it just completely I think it took past 170 to about 170.30, 170.40, and then immediately turned back to the downside, where I closed pretty much for I believe 30-cent loss or a 20-cent loss. Drops to 168, 169, and then on the second run through actually follows through with the breakout and goes through it. So that at that point I was like, okay, we're just gonna have to let this trade go, let it do what it wants to do, and come back at a later price point, maybe when crude oil is coming back to the downside. ES, which is your S&P 500, has now gone past 4,200, but has come back below 4,200 slightly. It is, as mentioned earlier, trying its best to really take out those 4,200 levels, get positive on the day. Are we positive? We're flat on the day now. We're pretty much flat on the day on the market. And I think once we clear past this 4,200, get on the green side, market's going to be pushing for the north direction for the most part.
And we've got a super chat from Mark Skonisny. Thank you, Mark. Thanks, Tesla calls. Congrats on Tesla. I hope you caught it long because Tesla having a great day, up more than 2%. And markets is now pretty much flat, down 0.04%. So let's go, Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla moving along with the market. Looks like I want to see what AMD did. I had a couple trades on AMD over here. Let's go take a look on AMD if it has cleared any levels. Wow, market coming back to the downside a little bit. Let's see if it can find support and then go clear that. So AMD, man, look at that long on AMD. Wow. So if you were long on AMD, first I was actually short on AMD. Oh man, market's coming back to the downside. Let's see if it can hold 41.90. If 41.90 holds, it's trying to. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to close my long here on the 4,200 break. 41.90 is really trying to hold on the market, which is good. Just focusing. But yeah, AMD, we tried for a short. We got a nice win out of it. We tried another short. We got stopped out eventually with the market catalyst that came out. AMD just ripping crazy to the north side. Now the market's curling back to the downside a little bit. You can see that being reflected in AMD. Another day, another strong 100 long off of AMD. Look at that low, exactly 100, not a single penny below it. So beautiful moves happening all across the board. That catalyst helping out, and 100 long once again panning out for anyone who took it. I think my dad most likely went long on AMD near hundreds. I hope he did, and if so, I hope he's also taking some profits on the way up here. I know he really scalps it on a quick time span. Where's my YouTube chat? I'm looking for the YouTube chat. There it is. Market was red yesterday, bounced back Tuesday. I mean, it was going to be red today too, but the bounce back really coming in from the market thanks to that stimmy news coming in from Schumer. Schumer says there will be 15 billion in additional COVID aid, so that's coming in, helping the market out big time. Market already going down. Yeah, it's coming down right now. Obviously, we can see that on multiple spectrums, which is your NQ. Where's my mouse? It's on the YouTube chat, NQ/H22CM. So on NQ, you'll see it also curling back to the downside a little bit. Currently at VWAP/50 period EMA, the chart you're looking at is a 3-minute chart, and ES is looking pretty much the same. But my chart looking a little bit different over here on ES. Yeah, okay, I thought so. ES is actually looking a little bit different, going to the downside again, now down 0.5% on ES. NASDAQ is also down 0.5%, but I think we're going to end green today just because of that catalyst that came in. A big catalyst from the market. Miss V?
Some people ask what is the source for stimulus checks. I don't know what's the source. I just found out about this right now with you guys. But Higher Ground says 15 billion in new STEMI aid with 300 million people make it what, 450 a person. So guys, if you have any source for that news, feel free, let us know about this.
Yeah, it's actually, I believe it's someone on Twitter. This guy takes it off directly. Well, what's the thing called where you pay $1,000, $10,000 for that thing? Bloomberg terminal. There you go. Yeah, the Bloomberg. His name literally says Walter Bloomberg.
Oh,
but
this is legit guy.
Yeah. He posts pretty good information. He takes directly from the Bloomberg terminal. So I saw it from there. Obviously, Neil put it in the chat for the work chat for me to see it because I couldn't hear Brandon from far away. So that's where the news is. If this guy posted, the chances are it's 99.99% legit and not fake news. So we can stick with that. But as you mentioned, yeah, 15 billion, which is at $450 extra shimmy. At best, you can buy maybe a couple shares of AMD and whatnot. But no, I think overall it's still a good catalyst. It doesn't matter if it's only 450 per person or whatever. It's still a good thing that will help the economy, move around money a little bit. We saw how the last few stimulus checks helped the economy. We went from May 2020 levels to all-time highs. Obviously, this 15 billion, I'm not saying will be enough to take us all the way back to all-time highs, but it should be enough to take us green on the day. It should be more than enough to turn the markets back into the green territory. Let's see how the markets behave one more time at 4,200 on the ES, which will turn it to flat. And I believe for the Nasdaq, what's gonna turn Nasdaq flat? NQ yesterday closed at around 1332, 13,320. So wait, we're already at 13,320. Oh yeah, this is delayed data. Never mind. We're at 13,270. So once we get to 13,320, Nasdaq would also turn positive or flat on the day. We can we get a Tesla outlook? For sure. We'll go to the Tesla expert for that.
Thank you, Prad. And yes, I see that a lot of people talk about Tesla short at 825 level. Again, Tesla having a positive day, even though market's a little bit down now. Tesla still up almost 2%. And if we take a look at higher time frame on Tesla, indeed, this 825 level looks good. But again, if I would do this, I would maybe see first if it's strong, if it does rejects from that level, and if markets keep going lower, yes, I think it's a great level for short. Though I am long biased on Tesla today, I have a few great long trades on Tesla. This is my first trade. I get long at 805. My last out was 808. So around $3 in the money. This is okay, but the next trade was much better on my side. I got in at 801 and my best out was at 812, which means $11 per share in the money. Love it, love it, love it. And guess what? Tesla went even higher. Half the day, I believe 824. So that's the level, guys, we're talking about. So let's see again. Biden will come anytime soon. So be careful and good luck. Follow the right move. Back to you.
Okay, we're back. So still moving about the energy stocks. I see Sun W being put in the chat, CEI, CVXs. So let's go to SunPower. SunPower should be your alternate energy. So alternate energy also making a move off of the traditional energy, which are your oil stocks and so on. Why am I hunched over? My back is hurting. Stop being such a hunch over demon because you're gaming all the time, Prad. All right, so relax my back a little bit, but yeah, so 57%, holy moly, 57% on Sun W over here. Alternate energy also having a great move overall, man, looking good. Everything just that posture check. That's right, Cian watches me on Twitter, not Twitter, on Twitch when I'm gaming, and I have a little button that says posture check, so he knows what he's talking about there. I see you, Cian. Your neck, your back, yeah, that's enough right there, Nilo. That's enough right there, dude.
Prad, that low float, I believe, oil name 9 is halted multiple times today, so maybe we can take a look at that one.
Yeah, I think Luca was in a 9 trade today. I don't know if you have any trades to share, Luca, today. You have any trades to share today? No, okay. I think Luca
Brandon?
was in a halt trade. Maybe Ian. We can put Ian on the show today. Ian, you down? I have nothing. Wow. These guys, chat. We tried. We'll put Brandon's yesterday's trade. Brandon has a losing trade from yesterday. He said he could share, so we'll put Brandon on the show at 12:30 or so. Today, guys, make sure you're tuned for 12:30 for the infamous Brankles to come on the show for some quick update on what's happening on the floor. But yeah, 9, as Miss V mentioned, was halted, is now unhalted, opened around, I believe, $7.13, and we're going down. Looks like market, we thought, or at least I thought, why would I say we? I'm the one who was mentioning this. I thought the market was gonna really push through the highs over there and really look for a green move after that 15 billion stimmy news coming out. But looks like that's gonna be ne pas, as Sean always says it. So that's gonna not move it. Oh wow, 9 instantly turning around back to the north side goes 9. Look at the volume still in this position. Why did I say position? And the stock. Let me really filter the volume over here so we see only everything above 100 shares. So, man, here goes 9 back to the north side. Very possible it halts again. Did you say it halted a couple times, Miss V?
Yeah.
I actually see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it halted here, halted here, halted here. This should be a 1.3 million flow, right? 24 million flow. Okay, I'm getting it confused with a different low floater. Right? Yeah.
By the way, Prad, if you people talk about that POA Pola. If we talk about that one, Polar Power on Nasdaq, it's up 54% to the upside. I'm trying to check if this is related to oil stocks.
Sure. Let's go check out. Is it? POLA.
Power renewable energy. That's why.
Polar Power, so could be alternate energy also making moves. They do have earnings coming up in one day for Polar Power, so that's tomorrow. I don't see if it's after market or before market, but obviously these stocks are not moving because of earnings. They're moving because of the sad part of whatever's happening around the world. And that's helping the oil stocks kind of boom. I saw an article today actually that said oil stocks could or crude oil could hit 300. Like, oh my goodness, if that happens, the buses are gonna be crowded.
That's crazy. I see already people on Instagram complaining about like gas prices.
Yeah.
Well, that's what it is. Buy Tesla, guys. Use lithium batteries, right? Save your money. And by the way, just real quick, we have clean stocks on our watch list, guys. So again, make sure our watch list in your bookmarks. Make your trading better.
Yeah, so that's a very good point. You know, all this crying about gas price this, gas price that, just spend a 30, 40, 50,000 on a Tesla and no more gas prices, you know. But I do believe we're going to have extremely long bus queues now, which sucks for me because I travel so long in buses. So yeah, gas prices affecting everybody over here, not just not just the car drivers, that is. I'm tired of people whining about gas prices. Yeah, I'm a little bit too, but obviously I gotta talk about it. It's part of the job over here. Maybe soon we figure out that we really can solve the gas problem with more electric cars all over the place. We ramp up the EV sector in Ford. Ford starts pumping out more EV cars. We have MULN gonna pump out more EV cars. We have already your Lucid Motors, your NIOs, your XPEVs, and so on. So I think all that combined, we're gonna see a big ramp in EV because of this. So start buying your EV stocks. You know, Lucid Motors, Tesla already having a great move up north today, as Miss V was talking about, and your Polestars and everything. You guys love MULN. Go buy 500,000 shares of MULN. It's free, right? So that being said, I think Biden's supposed to come on today soon, right? Talking about the ban of Russian oil.
Was supposed to come 10:45. Still
waiting. So 3 o'clock.
That's right.
3 o'clock. Got it. So yeah, man, if Biden comes on at 3 o'clock as predicted, I think we'll still see some market sideways action. We're waiting to see what happens whenever he comes on and talks about the overall Russian ban or no ban, and then just more sanctions. If it's just more sanctions and no ban, although people are saying it's a ban, I think we could see some still normal prices. Well, not normal, but still same prices around where we are. Gonna pull up Valeriia. USEG moving. USEG. USEG. Oh, I typed it wrong. USEG on Nasdaq. Got that right. Awesome. USEG is moving apparently. Let's go check out where the stock is moving to. Currently, today we're expecting north. Yeah, 96.99% to the north. 29 million shares traded. And on the dailies, it does look like we are past all-time highs. We're in all-time high territories at the moment. USEG was the ticker. So let me go to all-time high chart. No, we're not at all-time highs, actually. Are these some splits over here? Not sure if these are splits or not. Let's go back to the one-year chart. But are we at a 52-week high? One-year chart. We are at a 52-week high, $13. Let's zoom that out a little bit. We got a level here at 18. Please, magnet. Thank you. And then we got this consolidation level at almost $10, which is $9.90. So that could be some support on the way down. When it does decide to come down, we'll magnet it from here, which is $9 flat, actually. That's not bad at all. And then I do see this consolidation high over here, which is already acting as a resistance, which is around $14. No, I wanted this consolidation high, which is around $14. So we're just looking for some good. Another consolidation high would be around this high, or $16. So right now we're already seeing the resistance near 14, which is around $13.92 coming in, and it's getting smacked to the downside every time we go up there because the supply is getting shut down. Let's go look at what the flow is now to check last but not least. I'm guessing it's not a low floater. Oh, it is. Damn, I was wrong. Based on where the price was, I thought it would, maybe I was a little, I was confused. So low floater, 3 million shares. So obviously makes sense why the supply is getting shut down in front of $14. 90% up. Insane. Insanity across the market. Insane in the market.
Good. Thank you. Real quick,
Insane
guys,
the
just we're
market.
making pictures with Liz for Instagram, so make sure you follow us and smash the like button. Better here in YouTube. Anyways, as we said, clean energy, EV sector today are trading higher due to the oil situation, and few people talk about Lucid. Lucid is ripping up more than 7%.
Yeah, Lucid also moving EV sector, as Ms. V just mentioned, helping out the market once again to the downside. So market, NASDAQ, we were looking for that breakout and break even and did not happen. And same thing with the ES. We're looking at 4,200 rejection and now going back to the downside. Let's go check out what Lucid Motor is. Where am I typing? Where is my mouse 90% of the time? Lucid Motors. Okay, so we're looking for a possible move down here in the market. Yeah, so market's getting ready to go back to test the low of days. I didn't believe we're going to probably even get closer to that level. I mean, we're still quite a bit away from all the way near low a day, but I'm pretty surprised because I thought that catalyst coming in is going to just instantly turn us green and just stop being red, because we've seen a couple days where the market just finds momentum and rips north, just absolutely rips north. So we're not actually seeing that take place right now. Overall, Lucid Motors ripping up to 25.20, a weak break of 20 looks like, because of the supply getting shut down in front of $25. Notice how the tail is pretty much all the it's all the move above 25 is just tail, nothing but the tail. So coming back down below 25, let's see if we can find some support in front of 24.60 or 24.20, or even over here at $23, $24 flat. Any of these ranges finding support would be great. Lucid Motors up 6.66% on the day. Isn't it just stimulus check for Texas though? Is that what it is? It's just for Texas? 15 billion just for Texas? Okay, I thought so. My blanket on my recliner is perfect match for your shirt today. I love it. Oh, I like it. So, joke's on you. I actually stole your blanket and made a shirt out of it. Haha. Thank you for your blanket. You no longer have it now.
You remember like A$AP Rocky and Rihanna, the Met Gala, I believe? He was wearing like kind of blanket.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah,
I know.
so
Was not like a branded blanket?
it was, but they made it like for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, I forget what brand that was too. And then he opens it up and there was a suit under.
I believe so. I'll Google now.
I forget how that looked. Yeah. 15 billion for me. It's all for me. That's right. Praddy stimulus. It's called the Pradmulus. Pradmulus, babies. Yay, shout out from Prad. Woohoo. Hey, no problem, man. You know, you said something. I try to read everything. CEI going back up. CEI apparently having a move back up to the north side. CEI one more time getting closer to $2. If we would get a chance to go over here, what is going on? December 21st of what? 2020? Reached its first stable version. Oh, last year, December 21st. So okay, got it. Makes sense. So I need to update my software over here. Looks like more tickers are actually ticking to the downside here. Are we below zero? We are below zero. So more stocks are ticking down, but also ticking back up from the down mode. So we'll see if the market can turn back to the upside. And we're looking at CEI at the moment. Let's go to CEI. Let's go to 1-year chart. And now let's turn on our, oh, it's already on. Awesome. And then let's zoom, closer zoom, closer zoom. So, all right. Where could be the stops for the shorts? So it's still, oh, these are all sellers, more sellers, some buyers here that were trapped. Buyers, all sellers, seller ratio. Okay, so we're expecting stops to be above at least 250 for some shorts. If we do get to $2 or 250 because of this level over here where it says 200,000 sold to 100,000 bought, this is around $2 right here. So you're expecting their stops to be either 250, 230, and then there were some longs over here that got trapped. So I'm guessing they already closed for a loss on this big down day over here. So we can forget about those longs that were trapped. The other stops are also most likely around these levels near $2-3, and then we have the extreme big boy stops at $5 over here, who are your shorts.
Oh,
big boy shorts.
Biden looks like he's on his way, guys, to start the speech. Real quick, here's a sub Rocky in his dress, and now all eyes on President Biden.
Nice. So Biden is talking.
Uh-oh.
Biden is talking. He's on now. So looks like we could have some negative move continuation. I think that what's that a rule that you guys always put in: short when he's talking and then go long when he's done talking. So I think that's going to be applied right now because the market's already making its move to the downside while we're having him come on. He just got on and we're instantly coming to the downside. Hell yeah, here we go. Awesome. Yeah, market's moving down. CEI crushing the downside here. Just dropped 10 cents from that $1.80 mark. Looks like Lucid also continuing his down move from that 25 level. That support we were looking for near 25.60. Trying its best to hold the stocks there. ES also moving to the south side, but now trying to find support in front of 41.70. And NASDAQ trying to find support in front of 13,200, even though it's below it. All right. IMPP going crazy. IMPP, another day, another wild move on IMPP. Still not moving past that 975 level, I believe was the high yesterday. No, the high yesterday was $8. Today, $9.50. Let's go quick over here. Nope, not over here. Over here. So IMPP, yesterday's high, 850, also happens to be the high of the IPO day. So bam, bam, and today's high, 950, which happens to be all-time high. Or sorry, 970, all-time high. Make sure it's the daily chart. It is the daily chart. Let me open up my trading chart here. So here we go. So today, IMPP did go crazy, but looks like that was all the pre-market move. And now, after the pre-market move has been exhausted, IMPP did nothing but go back to the downside and down 12%, which is going to put IMPP 4 SSR mode. SSR is basically you cannot short the stock by just taking out liquidity off the bids. You have to wait on the offer to get picked up while the stock is going up. This rule is going to apply also for tomorrow unless it drops another 10% tomorrow, at which point the rule is going to get carried on for the next day also. So the SSR rules carries on for 2 days unless it re-triggers it for the same day twice. Russia didn't... okay, we're going to not read that. Good morning, Prad, and the most beautiful Miss V. Give you a little like already. Thank you, John Van Sewers.
Oh, so sweet. John Van Sewers.
John Van Sour. I'm just not trying to butcher your name. That's all I'm trying to do.
That's right, me too, John. But I every day see you on the chat. You're always so kind and supportive. So thank you so much, John. We hope you're having a wonderful day. By the way, we have a new member, John M. Vithiga with some cute panda on his profile picture. Welcome to the family and to the green side. We appreciate the support a lot. And again, guys, if you also want to become a member, you can find join button on our homepage. It's just $5 per month. Your name will be beautifully in green on the chat. You have custom TraderTV.Live badges and emojis, and we're definitely working on creating something, some benefits for members. So please stay with us. We love you all.
That's right. We're trying to come up with some fun, exciting ways to engage with you guys more. More ways to have fun with our viewers, because we love you guys without a doubt. We enjoy you guys coming back here every single day, hitting us with that likes, love, supports, all of that. And if you're not doing it, then yeah, we probably don't like you. And I'm joking. We love you still, but we would love for you to smash those buttons, all of those buttons at the same damn time. What happened? Whoa. HM, HC, NQ. Did we just... Whatever. All right, cool. Hi, can you please look at what stock that just scrolled up? mRNA. Okay, yeah, for sure. Let's go take a look at mRNA. We haven't talked about the vaccine stocks in a while now. Moderna going back to the downside once again, but actually up on the day, but moving south with the overall market move, I'm guessing right now, which is to the south, or it's curling back north. Market's really trying to decide how to take this Biden speech at the moment, trying to decipher the Biden speech, I guess. And once we get over that, we'll see how the market disseminates that info. Overall, mRNA has been going on for the down move to the downside for quite a bit now. I think yesterday there was actually a catalyst for mRNA that I forget now. I can't really remember what the catalyst was. It had to do something with their vaccination, obviously. So that maybe that catalyst yesterday did not help them to the way, or maybe it was a negative catalyst, because I forget clearly, to be honest. So and now we're down once again, trying to test the levels around yesterday's close to see if there is any resistance around those levels, which is 126, 127-ish area, even though we're above it now. 3,500 likes for karaoke from Prad. I don't think you guys want to hear me sing, man. You guys want to go deaf? Like I don't have a good voice. Obviously, I'd love to sing. I'd love to go to vocal coaches one day and be able to sing. That way I could serenade women, and you know, just get any girl I want in life just because I can sing. But
you can rap.
I could rap. I guess I could rap. I go shimma like what's that Eminem goes? Whoa, market crushing. What did Biden say, guys? U.S. bans Russian oil and gas imports. Market instantly turned back around. This is some of the wildest stuff today. Market went whoop 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 all the way back. Down we go. Oh, why don't I have orders? I need to throw some orders out here. Let me just throw a couple orders out. We'll go light exits, because if this goes even further to the downside, then I'm making kashish, baby. We're making that moolah. So we'll take some light exits on the way down. Awesome. Can you check Bitcoin 100%? Platinum? Yeah, imagine I'm a metal that you can invest in. Platinum. That'd be great, wouldn't it? Okay, Bitcoin. So you want me to check on Bitcoin? Bitcoin now still under 40K, but you know, I'm not worried about Bitcoin until it gets below 34K. Once it gets under 34K, then I'll really be worried. I'll start throwing red flags all over the place. Not red flag. What's the flag on the NFL? Yellow flag? Yeah, so I'll be throwing yellow flags all over the place and calling technical fouls like in basketball. But no, even then, if you do get below 34K, that just means it's a more discount buying opportunities for me. I know Miss V and I were talking about buying Bitcoin last time it dropped and we didn't. But this time, if it drops, I'm almost guaranteeing you Miss V and I are most likely loading the bag on there. That way, we load our plastic bag. So in the future, we buy a Louis bag.
And in future, we don't say, oh, I wish I bought more, right?
I know. I never say I wish I bought more. Say I did buy more.
That's right.
That's right. 100% agree with what Miss V just said there.
Yeah.
It's more time in the market than timing the market. Did you understand that?
Not really.
So What we try to do as investors or traders is you try to time the market. When the market's coming down, you're like, oh, I want to be perfectly timed to catch the bottom. I want to look good catching the bottom. But it's more how long you spend in the market than trying to time the market. So if you want to go long when it's going down, just keep buying dips, and then over time you end up being profitable as long as you're buying a good company like Apple or like Microsoft, Google, but like or maybe even Bitcoin. But if you're trying to time it perfectly, like, oh, if it goes to 34K, I'll buy it, and it goes to 35 and we didn't buy it, like we get screwed over because of that. So it's more being in the market longer than having to be perfect with it. Yeah. Prad being a bit surreal to Miss V. I don't even know what surreal means. You're using big words. Now I have to Google that.
I'll go to translator too. Oh my God, team, high five. International blondies.
I've heard it before. I just don't know what it even means. Having qualities of surrealism. How is that even a good definition, man? Unreal, bizarre, weird, strange, freakish. Okay, none of these are good descriptions of what I want to hear what surreal is. Prad and V get the same haircut for 3.5 likes. 3.5K likes.
So definitely you won't be able to grow out your hair that quick. So no merci beaucoup.
You gotta get to my level, Miss V.
I can wear a wig. If we get 3,000, I'll get a wig like you have. If you want, I will even wear a mustache.
A mustache?
Yeah.
I like it. I can cut mine to a mustache, and then we can both match mustaches too.
Let's go.
Yeah. DWAC getting smacked apparently, and you're 100% right. DWAC now down 10%. Another day, another big. Flat button didn't work for me today. Wow. So yeah, DWAC, another day, another downside for the stock. 2 days in a row now. After that 100 level has been fought for multiple days. We were looking at that 100 level for the actual release of the application. So now that the application is out, we haven't heard much about it. There's not much hype about it, not much buzz about it. We thought there would be a lot more going into it. So maybe the developers just released the app, but there's still a lot more behind it. You know, I know people were on the waiting list to actually get on the account, so I still want to see how that goes around. Overall, DWAC kind of struggling now ever since the launch, coming to the downside, and been down more than 10%. So that means, once again, the SSR rule is on. So if you don't know what that is, you cannot short the stock by taking off the bids.
We have educational video on SSR, and I'm going to send you on the chat, guys, if you want to learn a bit more on that.
Fu Manchu for 3K. I don't even know what that is. I'll be 100% honest. DWAC was destined to be a flop. DWAC was my #1 trade of the last year. I mean,
That's
obviously
true.
destined to be a flop, I guess, as a company, as a stock. But we can't really guess that until we actually see what happens. You know, maybe it comes out with something really good in the future. Maybe it doesn't. I can't predict the future. All we can do is wait for it. But until then, you know, DWAC is not tradable for me, not even investable. So I stayed away from the kind of free money that they were giving you, because all you had to do was go long at $50 and watch it go to $100, and yeah, a lot of people did that. Watched it literally go to $100. Let's go, brother Prad. Apple, yeah, Apple's supposed to come on soon. Biden just finished talking. I see him walking away from the podium, or the whatever that thing is called. So he's walking away. Biden is now gone, and now we're waiting for the next steps, which is your Apple catalyst. We're waiting on Apple to see what they have to announce. Maybe a cheaper phone. I think that's what people are guessing. Maybe not a cheaper phone. Maybe
more expensive phone.
A more expensive phone. Maybe,
or
a
maybe
new
real
laptop.
pink phone, because it was
Ooh.
the other day on the Instagram, and there were like a meme that like they put a phone real pink and the one they made, and like girls are saying like, come on Apple, you knew exactly what pink we meant. So maybe they heard us, and on International Women's Day they will give us beautiful pink phone.
Wow, yeah, that could actually be something. That's a very good point. International Women's Day,
Right.
you know, happy International Women's Day to all women in my life. You, my mom, my sister,
Thank you.
everyone, even Maggie, Liz, anyone who's a woman or
Raquel.
identify as a woman. Yeah,
Raquel.
Raquel too. I love Raquel. Anyone who is a woman or identify as one. We wish you a merry, a
Christmas.
very, very, very happy Women's Day over there. So I think you're 100% right. I think it could be some Women's Day secret coming out from what's his name again? Not Steve Jobs. I forget it. Tim Cook.
Right.
From Tim Cook.
Let's see. I'm excited. I mean,
Yeah.
already have blue one, so who cares?
Exchange it for the pink one.
Yeah. Traded.
Trade it. Only real woman. Come on, Loam. We don't gotta go there. Biden, long on Pampers, short on brain. Oh, dude, come on. Moving on from that one. Identity. Okay, can't let's go. Can't forget Sage. Ah, man, yeah, Sage. Sage. Jet, Reina, Astra. Who else?
Who
is
are those?
these are girls in the video game that I play. Those are the girls' names in the game.
So sweet. Sailor Moon.
No, it's
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig gets one too. Yeah, Peppa Pig. We love Peppa Pig. You know it. She gets it. Yeah, that's enough. All right, Biden talk is done. So now the market started to go back to the north side, I'm guessing. Not quite yet, but it's trying to. There we go. Market's now trying to go back to the north side. I'll pull it up on this screen. ES moving up north one more time. Now that the Biden's done talking, we're going to see maybe crude oil. What's crude oil doing? I don't have entitlements for it because obviously I don't trade it, so I don't want to have entitlements for it. Waste my money over there taking that. Crude oil coming to the downside still after that feature is done. I was expecting, we break through 130 over there because the obvious expected ban on oil, or at least the Russian side of oil, has come through. So maybe this was priced in a little bit. Obviously, looks like it could be very well priced in for that catalyst that everyone was waiting for it to come through.
Prad Dennis says Plug is reaping. Indeed, Plug is having a great day, up more than 7%. And again, guys, I remind you, where's my watch list? We have clean power stocks on our watch list today. Clean energy, and Plug is one of them, but many more today. So definitely, clean stocks are great long opportunity for all of us today.
Yeah, green stocks are green. So I mean, oil stocks are green too, but green stocks are green. 100% correct about what she said on that end. Bro, you trying to be youthful with your blonde hair? Yes, 100% right. It's not like I got forced into doing this and scammed into doing this or anything, right? Yeah, I really wanted to spend that much money. I really wanted to go out of my way to spend that much money and get this hair done and burn my head for like 30 minutes just to look youthful, right?
And
not
that's
like I got
right.
scammed into it.
You remember your speech when you said after doing this, how you now respect all the women who do this. So today is the perfect day, guys. And yes, by the way, I color my hair like
scam though.
Every month.
Yeah, 100% scam. You think those 3,000 likes would have happened if you guys didn't log into like 5 different accounts? Let's be real. Some of you logged into 5 different accounts just to smash that like button. You guys 100% manufacture that. 100%. Netflix apparently moving. So Plug, we were talking about Plug. Plug is trying to take out this $25 level, which happens to be the high day at the moment. High day actually at $24.98, so I just rounded it up by 2 cents to 25. 25 level getting ready to get taken now. We'll see if it actually breaks on this stock. Netflix apparently also ripping, so let's go check out NFLX. Netflix also moving north. No, what? Who said Netflix is ripping? Netflix is actually down 1% on the day and actually not moving at all. Very consolidated, sideways action, bar coding, however you want to put it. Not doing anything but accumulating shares to the north and to the south side. Looks like you went Super Saiyan, but you didn't get any strong. That's true. My level actually decreased after going Super Saiyan. Man, it sucks. I don't know what to do on this end. 3K likes to see Prad get his nipples pierced. Right. That's exactly what I need to do next. Run nice day. RUN. Run DMC. There we go. Run. Also having a nice day apparently. A lot of stocks having a nice day. Is Run one of those energy stocks? Yeah, it is. Sunrun, utilities, alternative power, energy, up 10% today. Another good move coming in for another good energy stock. Now, obviously, I gotta wait 8 minutes for this chart to finish loading, and then I'll probably be able to load it up. 2, 1, 0, bang.
Real quick, Brad, I have a question from Open-Minded Mafia. Does Valeria have any favorite penny stock, micro cap plays? Well, I have my favorite stock. You already know it's Tesla. It's so not micro cap and a penny stock. But guys, I like to trade penny stocks and micro cap also. I don't have a favorite one, but I keep an eye on watch list, and I like when short squeeze happening on those penny stocks, so they go to the levels they're not supposed to be at. What's going on?
Oh, it's just the sun stocks are so in power right now. All these sun energy, solar power stocks are so hot that it's so blinding to even look at the chart. So I had to put on sunglasses.
Prad, just my heater, don't worry. So yes, what I was trying to say, please keep an eye on the watch list. Brandon always put great penny stocks with low float, which are bringing some great opportunities. So even that MULN right now, it just 22 million free float. So yeah, I believe how much is it's now a little bit higher than $1, right? MULN.
I think so. Yeah, should be. It was higher than $1 yesterday. It's still higher than $1 now. It's $1.20 at the moment, up 13% on the day today. MULN, another day, another good move coming in for people's favorite EV stock of the world, MULN, coming in hot, baby. Yeah, looking fly, Prad. Thank you. I was just making fun of the fact that these energy stocks are absolutely bonkers today, especially solar energy. Kind of stealing the joke from Vivek in the chat. Vivek goes, solar stocks are on fire, no pun intended. So I took it a little bit step further, put on the sunglasses. Solar stocks are blinding today with their strong powerful move north. So I had to throw on the Ray-Bans, the hater blockers as they call them. Had to put them on. Anyways, I might sell a little XOM so I can fill up my gas tank. Might just have to liquidate your Teslas and your XOM positions a little bit just to buy some oil in your car, man, just so you can drive around your car. It is the time we're getting into. Or liquidate your XOM so you could go buy a Tesla car and then you don't have to buy oil at all. Right? Ooh, that's something to think about. No, at the end, all jokes aside, oil prices suck at the moment, without a doubt. Don't sleep on oil ship fleets like TWD. TDW. I said that wrong, but I knew what I read. So TDW on New York with 240,000 shares only. So these guys are up 4%, but no real liquidity, no volume being traded on the stock. Without volume, I can't really do anything for the day trading aspect. So even though the stock is up on the day and could possibly move without any volume, it's not exciting for me. MES, which is your S&P 500, or that's your micro E-mini futures. So ES, H22CM, your ES, which is your S&P 500, and your NASDAQ, having a beautiful move up north at the moment. ES, which is S&P again, only down 5.5%. And at NASDAQ, trying to get back to VWAP, so it could be down only 0.5%. Both trying to get back to those green positions now that Biden's done talking. Let's see if that idea, well, not see, we know that idea is panning out, which is once Biden's done talking, go long, so markets start moving back up north.
That's true, Prad. Tesla also going back to that A25 level. And again, guys, you remember we were talking about short and here. So if you caught that move to the downside, congratulations. And let's see if it will get back there. And if it get rejected and will give another short opportunity, or will break to the upside.
Break to the upside, indeed. I'm just looking to see what I need to do over here. I need to cancel these orders and layer more orders to the downside. So let me just do that real quick. Awesome. All right. POLA rip. POLA still ripping. Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna be all energy stocks. Another day, another full energy stock. So can't help it. You know, when these stocks are the hottest stocks on the market today and yesterday. I mean, it's been for a while now. Look at CEI doing 300 million shares, almost 400 million. MULN doing 100 million. It's hard to escape these stocks. All of these stocks on the list right here are just all energy that I noticed. Let's see what CELP is.
Tesla ripping.
CELP, environmental partners. I'm guessing these guys are also energy. Cypress Environmental Partners sounds like an energy stock. ENSV, energy. Then we have USEG. We already saw that. USWS, probably another one. Nope. Well Services up 38% today. Doing how much volume? It's doing about 71 times average volume. Like, this is insane. You very rarely see relative volume of this magnitude coming on the market. So it just goes to show how highly in play these stocks are. Like, it's absolutely insane how in play these stocks are. Drilling in swamps. Okay, thank you. So these guys are obviously well services and drilling services, but apparently they're drilling in swamps. Prad hair color is the same as Band-Aids. What? I don't know about that. What Band-Aids are you buying? Some bootleg knockoff Band-Aids that's not Band-Aid? You gotta buy some good Band-Aids, bro. You know those bootleg Band-Aids that have the ugly color? They're like yellowish.
Yeah.
But like the actual Band-Aid have like the skin color on them. And they're like way more durable. Stop buying bootleg dollar store Band-Aids, bruh.
I mean, I have this ones.
It's all about Hello Kitty Band-Aids, okay?
It is, I swear. I'm using this one, Hello Kitty. They're so cute and
listen,
nice.
if I'm ever hurt and my girlfriend has a Band-Aid, and if it's not a Hello Kitty Band-Aid, I'd rather bleed than have that normal Band-Aid on.
Same here.
Hello Kitty Band-Aids all day. Have you seen the new one, the Paw Patrol ones?
No.
Bro,
I mean, I saw, but I didn't watch even Paw Patrol.
I didn't either, but I have to buy them for my niece. So
yeah? Okay.
Paw Patrol ones are amazing.
Pikachu also cool ones.
There's Pokemon ones?
Yes, I think so. Let me check for you now.
Can you cover? I'm going to Shoppers to buy some Pokemon Band-Aids right now.
They're sold out. I was looking like in two Shoppers.
Of course they'd be. I'd buy them out myself. What, are you kidding me? I'd clean out the Shoppers Drug Mart. I spent all my money buying out all the Pokemon Band-Aid cards boxes over there and just sitting on them. Come on, Pokemon is my childhood. I love Pokemon.
Yes, here they are.
Let me see these. No shot.
Yeah.
Oh man, those boxes are probably reselling for like $100 each.
Isn't cute?
Look at that Charmander. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. Kiss the boo-boo. All right, yeah, I don't know about Kiss the boo-boo. I just want Pokemon Band-Aids, all right? That brings my childhood back. Prad's more excited about Pokemon Band-Aids than stocks. Yeah, it just goes to show how much Pokemon means to me. Pokemon on the go. Jeez, whoever you are, thanks for changing the conversation to Band-Aid, not... All right, let's get back to the market. Tell me there's Dragon Ball Z ones? No shot. Oh, you're just saying that Pokemon Dragon Ball Z are your favorites. Yeah, 100%, 100%. All right, market getting back to the green territories almost. NASDAQ is only down 0.7 now. S&P 500 down still about 0.5%, but not a full 0.5%, which is good. So we're getting ready to go back to the north side, but you know that's what we want to see. Market getting ready to turn around now that Biden's done talking. So we're getting ready to see if the market can actually end at least flat. We saw the 4,200 get tested once and we failed. Now can we see 4,200 actually get tested again and succeed on that test? If so, I think we got some good moves coming in on the market. Let's go check on what AMD is doing at the moment. We are walking into lunchtime. It's 11:54 Eastern Standard Time. It should be lunch in the next 7 minutes or so. And you know, lunchtime obviously indicates a big decrease in volume across the board. volume should start tapering off. Even after the volatile moves that we saw, I'm expecting a little bit deeper decrease in volume because of the volatile move we saw going into lunchtime over here, and people being really drained out. A lot of people got cleaned out, man. You know, people were longs, and then comes out the short news. People were shorts, and then comes out the long news. So a lot of people got cleaned out. A lot of people have volatility. Yeah, a lot of confusion action happening that probably stress people out, and they're gonna really go for their lunches earlier or so. And this is just my theory, right? This is just my theory. So I'm expecting a good amount of moment or time period where volume decreases, that being 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock.
Talking about lunch, guess what? We have chicken. Woohoo!
Chicken and what?
Potatoes.
Just
And vegetables.
boiled chicken?
Okay, I will go in details for you. Cajun grilled chicken breast with roasted mini potatoes and steamed green beans.
Cajun chicken breast, that's not bad. So kind of like spicy, kind of like that's not
nice.
bad. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Kind of healthy.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is. Good for us. So I wanted to real quick, guys, show you earnings board. I didn't know we're on my screens. Oops, sorry. Earnings season coming to an end, but we still have a few names today after the close and before the open tomorrow. My face is hiding here. Dada. Also, we have Campbell Soups, Oatly, Bumble, Stitch Fix. I saw someone's talking about that I am.
Are those both pictures Datadog?
Yeah,
three
data
Datadog?
group. This is like one symbol for them.
Really?
Yeah, that's
How many logos do you need?
I don't know.
You have enough logos over there?
This is only for one name.
That's crazy. They probably
This is Dada, and this is dog.
That's
I don't
group?
know. Yeah, and that's group. Yeah.
Wow, that's insane. How many logos do you need up there?
I know it's very confusing. Any exciting?
Yeah, for me, for sure, Bumble, Stitch Fix, and MongoDB. I've used MongoDB a lot. Campbell's obviously going to be on watch. You know, we're already in a very sad period of life right now, which is obviously the Russian-Ukraine. Campbell's are probably going to make a lot of, well, I don't know, because obviously they're American. I'm just guessing over here by saying that, you know, they should be making some revenue from that side, at least, because you know they're perishable, they last long, and so on. So I would like to see how Campbell's comes out. Obviously this is last quarter earnings, doesn't mean anything from this from what's going on right now. And then Bumble, as already mentioned, will be on watch. I don't really know any of the other companies. And Datadog, I do know Datadog, of course.
Datadog. We have animation like this with Brandon. And by the way, guys, write in the comments what do you find interesting from that board. And I wish one day we see Maggie noodles on that board.
Maggie noodles?
Yeah.
What about Maggie noodles?
Oh, look, you know, there is Campbell's stock. I want to see Maggie noodles stock.
They're owned by Nestle.
Nice.
I think so.
That's good.
Yeah, I think they're owned by Nestle. Cajun chicken is code word for alligator. Oh my goodness. Don't tell me that. I'm not gonna end up eating my lunch, and neither is Miss V at that point. Yeah, don't tell us that. You're gonna freak us out. I've never had alligator, but honestly, I'll try it. I'll try everything once. You know, I've tried oysters. Didn't hate them, but also didn't love them. So maybe I'll need to try more to fall in love with them, because I didn't hate them. But you know, alligator, same thing goes with that. I'll try it at least once before I knock it. At least once.
Few people talk about Clover.
Clover.
It's up more than 12%. Let's go.
Clover Energy, I believe.
It's Clover Health.
Health, sorry. Oh, I'm thinking about Camber Energy, which is
right.
CEI. Clover Health Investments Group, another moves to the north side, 13% move coming in. Look at that barrier that I see near $3. Let's see if we can actually clear $3 today with the move that the stock is showing us. NASDAQ and ES, which is S&P 500, both turning off from the VWAP at the moment. So could be a chance to go to the downside for the market once again. ES is now only down 0.3%, whereas NASDAQ is down 0.5%. And Clover up 13% with the negative move in the market. 15 million shares traded overall. Not enough for Clover, because I do remember seeing Clover move 300, 500 million shares at one point. Let's go here. So that's 65 million shares. Let's go to look at that 600 million shares, and that's when the stock moved from what, $7 to $28 or so. If we zoom out a little bit more, yeah, that's pretty much all I see. So that's the time I remember it moved around 700 million shares. Now we're pretty much at all-time lows near $1, and the consolidation high near $3 is what we're trying to keep an eye out for. In case that breaks out, we might have a move north, but I think we're gonna see a barrier above there.
We just were called tree barks.
I am a tree bark.
Me too, because we have the same color of hair.
Have you tried Rocky Mountain oysters? You're asking the wrong person, man. I don't even know what I ate. They just ordered everything, and I said, okay, here goes nothing. So, were there Rocky Mountain oysters in there, boys? No. East Coast, West Coast, North Coast, South Coast. I don't know about any Rocky Mountain coast.
I don't know. This looks very weird. If it's
Sorry?
this, it looks very weird.
The tree bark?
No.
What is that?
Rocky Mountain oysters.
Oh, that's bull testicles.
Oh, really?
That's what they're talking about. Bull testicles. That's not even oyster. That's bull testicles. I know those are because Fear Factor. I've seen someone eat that on Fear Factor, and that's when I turned the TV off and I ran to the washroom. It was the worst episode I've seen ever. Nice try. Nice try. Rocky Mountain was a cow balls. Okay, yeah. Clearly, we deciphered that answer at this point. Going back to the market, PEP, good place to enter. PEP, Pepsi? Should be Pepsi. PEP is Pepsi. I got that right. Awesome. PEP, Pep. Let's go look at on the daily. PEP coming down near support areas, or could be support area around $157. A good time to enter is what you're asking. I'm not really a Pepsi fan. I'm a Pepsi hater, to be honest, you know. So I'm a Coca-Cola guy, a big-time Coca-Cola guy. I can blind test Coca-Cola any day, and I can tell you the difference from a mile away from Pepsi to Coca-Cola. Overall, though, Pepsi does have some good companies in their basket. I believe, what is it, Sprite's Coca-Cola? Whatever. Pepsi does have some good baskets in there overall. And it could be a good price point over here, but we're not too far from all-time highs. So I'm not sure if you're looking for a day trade or a swing trade or an investment. If you're looking for investment, I'm not really looking to invest in Pepsi just yet. You know, maybe some more downside moves before we start investing in Pepsi. If you're looking for a day trade, this could be a support area near 155. Also around 158 where we are currently at. If you're looking for a swing trade, I would maybe wait a little bit longer to see how the trade's near 153, $152, and then see if we actually have some buyers coming in around these prices for Pepsi.
Tesla is testing the highs now, already broke 825 to the upside, guys.
Which one, sorry?
Tesla.
Tesla moving back to the north side, looks like. Let's go check it out. I like you much more with that statement about the Coca-Cola statement. I mean, I just love Coca-Cola. I've grown up on Coca-Cola. In university days, Coca-Cola was literally cheaper than water, so all I did was buy Coca-Cola every day and say forget water. You know, obviously I cheap out on every single direction I can, and then there's avenues where I don't even look at the price tags and I just go market. Boom, baby, back to the green side. Almost. But ES is pretty much down 0.003%. 0.03%, sorry. So getting back to that 4,200 level on ES, Nasdaq getting back to even also, and that is being reflected in Tesla. Tesla now up almost 3% on the day, taking out the high day over here. Let's go see how Tesla behaves at $830. I think now we can expect 820 to have support on Tesla as long as the market cannot see rejection in front of 4,200, which is seeing it again. We really need the market to clear 4,200 over here and rip north. That way we can see AMDs, Teslas, and everything else have some nice move with it. I'm almost 100% guaranteed my dad went long on AMD at $100. So Pops, if you're watching it, congratulations. I know you were talking about opening up a joint account together so we could monitor together. Obviously, it's kind of hard to do so when I'm at work. So I'm glad that you decided to do it and take advantage of it, Pops. Because look at it, 4,200 on the ES is about to get cleared. There we are. Finally, 4,200 breaking right now. We'll see. Let's hope. Let's pray that we don't return back to the downside and keep ripping north. Markets moving beautifully to the green side here. AMD
And
ripping hard. Yeah, Miss V?
real quick on Tesla comment, as you said about that 830, I'm also looking forward for that 828, 830 level. What Tesla gonna do with it?
Sorry, what?
830 or 828-ish?
Yeah.
Like around that area.
Taco Tuesday. Ooh, man. Speaking about Taco Tuesday, we gotta pour one out for our boy Taco, the Del Taco, man. Got deleted off the market yesterday. Whoever has a shot, pour one out for Del Taco. No longer being traded. One of the best buyout stocks out there. Greg knows what I'm talking about. It is gone, man. Del Taco completely gone from the market. So much for Taco Tuesdays. We're gonna have to pour one out for this taco here. Ford strong today. Let's go check out Ford. Ford once again still around $16. We want the stock back to those $18, $20. You know, that catalyst coming in, helping them. Jack in the Box bought them out. Oh, cool. I didn't even know about that. Thank you for letting me know. I know that somebody bought them out. I just didn't know who bought them out. So Jack in the Box bought them out over there. Ford. We were talking about Ford. That catalyst that I thought was a complete spin-off, that they were going to do two complete different companies. I was wrong about it. Neil told me exactly what was going on, and it makes a whole lot more sense now because overall they're going to be more transparent with what's going on with the EV side. That's just obviously going to bring more chances of investors, new investors, old investors, and that's a great news for Ford. So even at these prices, I think for the long term, Ford is just a great buy over here. Brad, no such thing as a rip Taco Tuesday. Much better tacos than tell tacos. 100% right, 100% right. But I'm just doing rip tacos because the stock taco, which I was used to trade, obviously Greg used to trade it way more than me. But it's a rest in peace to that stock, man. It's a great stock overall. Eventually, we gotta throw up the peace signs to one of my other stocks over here too. These HMHCs and MGIs and whatnot. Eventually, gotta throw up the peace signs to those two.
Tesla is Rip City, following the markets to the upside.
Tesla is Rip City, says Miss V. That's because the market is indeed now positive. NASDAQ up 0.1%, ES up 0.2%. Man, I should have just waited for Biden to finish talking and then go long instead of taking the first 4,200 break long, or trying to take the first 4,200 break long, which I got beat up on. Overall, still pretty much waiting to see if we could move these stocks around that I'm trading in, these buyout stocks. 62 trades so far, and all of them just happens to be on one of them. UNP on New York, 2.6 million shares traded so far, $261 stock. Let's see once the chart loads up how it looks like. It is currently flat on the day, but did make a beautiful move off the 255 level, getting ready to go test yesterday's close, which happens to be around, I would guess, what time is that? That time candle, please. 261-ish or so. So once we get to 261-ish, we probably get flat on the day on UNP and get ready to go a little bit higher, because obviously, as Miss V mentioned, NASDAQ and ES well above red territories for the day.
Yay!
Clover cracking 3. Clover trying to crack 3 here with the overall market move. Let's see if we can actually successfully do so. Notice how it tried to crack 3, but it only did so by 1 penny, and even that penny was just now it successfully did. Look at that beautiful crack. Now let's see if we can actually have a follow through on Clover. The chart's still stuck. There we go. Now can we have a follow through on Clover? to see buyers come in and actually push it a little bit higher. If not, then we're gonna see that being a weak break and go back to the downside. Notice how not a single share printed at 302. The high of day is still 301, 301.88. That means some prints happen in the dark pools and in the mid prints. That means people are not even willing to take the 302 level as a long. And if you're not able to find buyers cross a single penny on the break of $3 to go long, that's a bad indication. And now watch how the stock's going back to the downside. Overall, not looking good. We wanted to really break $3 and have people be willing to punch the offer and take out liquidity off the offer.
Prad and guys, market shows some positivity moves, and we want to ask you to also be positive and supportive and like this video, guys. I know you're busy. This is a very intense day, but it takes less than a second to give us a like, and means so much to us. You already know that it improves YouTube algorithm, which helps to grow our beautiful community and the show. So please, team, smash the like button. And what's up? You hurt yourself again?
Yeah, the chair rolled over my hand. Hold on, IMPP. Let's go check out IMPP. Once again, I'm typing in the YouTube chat. IMPP halted. Wow, IMPP halted on the down move over here, down 30% now on IMPP. Halted at $5.19, indicated open $5.05. It was 5.6, then it went to 5.3, now it's at 5.05. Overall, it is looking like it wants to open below where it halted at. So these are the rug pulls that are finally getting pulled. You know, obviously we were talking about the rug pulls happening for a while now. $2, and this is the trap that we were worried about. We saw some rugs get pulled yesterday off the $10 level, or not 10, sorry, the 10 o'clock. But eventually the stock managed to climb back up. Now looks like these are the actual the pulling of the rugs. You know, if you were Aladdin sitting on top of these clouds and you just watch the rugs get pulled, this is what happens. The low float stocks, these are the games that I try to stay away from. These are the danger zones for me. 12 million shares. All it takes is whoever soaked up the float just to pull the shares once or sell them all at once, because you are his exit liquidity. And down we go back to $5. Let's look at for the intraday support. So the fact that we cleared this consolidation level. Notice how the support was trying to be formed around this consolidation level near $6. We're below that now. Now we're looking at this pre-market level near $4.50 or even $4 flat. So we're looking at this pre-market consolidation level for some support. If no support shows up over here, then we're immediately going back to these levels near $3. A lot of down moves possible coming in for IMPP. CEI is also tanking. Oh man, is all the energy sector just getting whipped up?
That's right. Another stock from low float energy sector, HUSA, is also halted to the downside.
Let's go check on what's going on with crude for a quick second. Maybe we can find out the answer for what's going on over here. Maybe it's not the rugs getting pulled, but the energy stocks just getting beat up overall. Stocks at sessions highs, blah, 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 blah. Moving back to crude oil. I'm not really seeing a dump in crude right now. XLE should be your energy ETF. Let's go to XLE. What is XLE doing? Kind of coming down, but still up 4% on the day. So, you know, Miss V mentioned HUSA on Amex. HUSA, ooh,
right?
HUSA, also halted to the downside. Multiple rugs could be getting pulled at the same time, or it could be just oil getting wiped out in general, energy getting wiped out in general. It's pretty weird though, because the market is ripping right now. Maybe an inverse relationship going on of some sort. Oil money rotating. MULN still creeping higher.
It feels like when markets go down, oil goes higher, and when oil goes lower,
could be an inverse relationship.
Markets go higher. Anyways, Tupacalypse or Lipsy One, hello, thank you so much for a super chat, and again bringing up his favorite name. For your information, people left CI and went to MULN. Hashtag hi from Hawaii. Shout out to Hawaii, beautiful place, paradise, and yeah, great day for MULN today, so congrats.
Here comes 13,420. 13,420. Yeah, it's coming in for sure. Now market up 0.69%. ES is up 0.57%. Nasdaq is up 0.7% also. So man, overall market's looking good. MULN is moving up north along with it, up 26% on MULN today. We'll see where this one goes to. Let's quickly go back to, let's go see if HUSA and what's the other halted one? Halters, where's my halters? There you are. IMPP was the halted one. IMPP did open up. Looks like it opened up at $5. And now here comes the chance to find support near $4.50 or even $4 flat. Let's see if we can actually find support at 4. Can I move my chair? Thank you. I hate this chair sometimes. IMPP opened up and dropped. Yeah, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Man, it looks like everything's going to drop right now. Amex? Did this open into a halt and halt again?
This is crazy. We're reaping.
I think HUSA opened into a halt and halted right away. Let me just quickly go check on that. I don't even see HUSA over here. I don't know why I can't see Amex. How do I configure this for Amex? Exchanges. Amex is selected. Come on, bruh. Okay, anyways. I think only way to check right now then is going on Nasdaq halters. Nasdaq halter. So HUSA, no, it did not. And it is a volatility halt. Limit up down halt, volatility halt. Awesome. 10-minute halt on HUSA. Ooh, okay, that makes sense then. Market is ripping hard. Yes, it is. Wow, market is indeed moving crazy right now. Insane move on the market. Look at this. Well, I guess the prediction did work out, even though we don't like to predict. We try not to even use the word predict. That idea of 4,200 breaking today and going up north because of the catalyst over there overall coming in clutch. Now let's see if we actually have a chance to go back to the downside off of the pre-market high, which is 4,240, and test the 4,200 level as support. If we do find support at 4,200 level, I think the market really has a chance to rip back up north today, at least a percent or more, show some long, some strength, man. What is AMD at? Is AMD back to 108s almost? Pretty close. We're at 107, 106.50. Let's see if AMD can keep on continuing its crazy trajectory north today. Awesome move on AMD. What time is the Apple?
1 p.m. EST.
1 p.m.
I
EST.
mean, 40 minutes approximately, so it will happen while we are on. And again, Tupacalypse, thank you for another super chat sending us. Keep it up emoji. You keep it up, and I hope you're having a profitable day and you even double or triple your profits.
What is the news for the market to go up? I think the catalyst was, let me read it again. Schumer says there will be 15 billion in additional COVID aid. So I think someone did the math and it checks out to like around $400 per person or something. Whatever the math checks out to. It's just the fact that they're willing to step in and help the market even after having a really high inflationary period, right? We were... The reason why the market was talking about high inflation, blah, 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 is because we just printed money for 2 years straight thanks to COVID. And you know, even before COVID, it's some of the lowest interest rates the history has ever seen. And now with inflation being high and interest rates being low, it's time to reverse that around a little bit. So if they're flip-flopping it, and they went from 50 basis points to 25 basis points, and they flip-flopped it on it again by saying, okay, we're going to introduce another additional COVID aid. So there looks like they're going to help people. They're going to help the market, which they said they're not going to do overall. all that combined, market's gonna like that. If market's gonna use those as catalysts as a reason to rip long right now, I'm just watching the market rip. It's up 0.9% on the ES, almost 1 full percent, and the Nasdaq is up 1.24%. So if the Fed's gonna come in and help the market, whoever it is gonna come and help the market. That's what the market wants. The market cares about how much help it's getting from the overall system, that is. AMD clears 107, it goes to 110. I think AMD has a bigger barrier near 118. Well, I see what you're talking about right here. This 107 high most likely, but I remember shorting the crap out of that 118.15 level on AMD. So I'm just gonna be a little patient before I even touch the trade. Obviously, I would like to be in the long side right now, but yeah, hands off. Just watching this move happen. I would like to see how it trades at 118.50, and if 118.50 breaks, then obviously I'll take that long to 110, or take a short in front of 118.50 if the 118.50 break happens to be weak. Brandon, whenever you're ready. All right, cool. Why can't I close my order on this trade? Is there no meme X guy sitting on the book? Are you kidding me? What is going on? There we go. We finally closed it. That trade was not closing for some reason. Okay, what's up, Missy?
So yeah, just we were talking about briefly about that Apple event that happening at 1 p.m. And again, guys, for those who are waiting of that one, Apple expects to upgrade its low-cost iPhone SE at this event. Also, new iPad, top expectations from analysts for Apple. So a few products are going to be upgraded. I like that SE iPhone. I used to have one, 5 SE, I believe, or maybe not. Are those look like this, guys? If like this, I had one. It was so cute. They used to hold battery for so long. They were cute, small, and their glass, what I find, was the strongest. Like, it was not that easy to break them.
All right, I think Brandon's ready.
The chart that you sent me.
Yeah.
All right, give me a sec, guys. I will just put it on there.
And wow, what a move on the market, man. Activision's ripping nasty right now too. Absolute crazy move coming in on the market over here. I'm thinking about actually going short on Activision at the moment, and I am short, as you guys can already see. No trades today for me on Activision so far, but now getting ready to get into those levels that I like shorting the stock. So maybe 81, 81.50, but that's an insane move for Activision. Look at that crazy move coming in for that stock overall. We'll be a little careful, obviously, shorting this. And here comes Brandon. What's up, Brandon? How's your day today?
My day's going pretty good right now. I'm short a couple energy names, so hopefully it plays out well. How's your day going?
Nice. Yeah. Just playing around, trying to see what moves we can get out of this market, obviously. And currently watching Activision go to the moon. Let's talk about your trade. Let's see your Chevron trade from yesterday.
Okay, so Prad, last time I was here, Prad said come back when you have a loser. So I have a loser today, and I think this is a good part of learning and getting better, is being able to really understand what happened or what went wrong. So I analyzed what went wrong, and then we're gonna go through it today. So I have I put some notes right after this trade about what went wrong. So first and foremost, I had some of the Monday blues, which means I just didn't sleep at all on Sunday. So I came into the office exhausted, and what happened is, because I'm so tired, I traded poorly because my decision making was slow and my reaction time was slow. The second issue I had in this trade, and we'll go over the trade soon, is overconfidence. On the Friday, I crushed Chevron. I bought at the lows, I sold at the highs, so I come in super amped, thinking I know what I'm doing, and obviously when that happens, you get smoked. And then I was also overconfident because I unofficially graded on Monday. So I thought I'm the best, and sometimes it hurts. Also, risk. All right, so risk was a big problem with this trade. I tried sizing up a bit, and the problem is with our set shutdown is just because I want to size up doesn't mean my risk wants to size up with me. So this was a huge issue, and it cost me dearly. And then lastly, lack of patience. So I had zero patience on this trade, and I'll show you my levels, and I'll show you how I wasn't patient at all. And then when you don't wait for your A or B setups even, and you start taking these C setups, these D setups, and I have like a few F setups in this trade, you're going to get hurt. So I'll summarize: lack of sleep, overconfidence, lack of risk management, and a lack of patience cost me a big loss here. So I went over Chevron. I dreamed about Chevron, and I came in today and I realized what I did wrong and killed Chevron. All right, so let's talk about this trade here. So I have a little stick, not like a sticky note. I have a full paper, not like Sean, so I could see what I wrote down. And and I have a few levels. So my levels for Chevron on Friday were 157, 158.50, 160, 163, and 163.50. So these are just general levels that I have that I want to be paying attention to the stock when they're in or around these levels. So let's go through the trade. So Chevron has this pattern since it's been doing so well and oil's so strong, that there are sellers in the morning, but if oil is rallying throughout the day, it'll catch a bid. So that's what happened here. So first entry was around 158.50, which I liked, but I gave it way too much room. So big mistake there. I should have, as soon as it broke 158.50, that's my out there. I'm usually more rigid in how I trade, and this was just the start. So then I go here at the random level. What level is this? 158.20. So this shows the lack of patience. My next level is 157. Why am I trying to get long 158.20 when my next level is 157? So that's one mistake: overconfidence, lack of risk management. Second mistake is lack of patience. So boom, boom, loss. Then over here, I try to get a little cheeky, and I know 157 is my next level, so I flip short, small win, whatever, doesn't matter. Same thing here. I know 158 is the level I like, so I like this trade. I short it, and I know my out's 158.50. I get out, small win. Whatever, it rallies without me. That's just going to happen most of the time. And I see this new level that I have on my sheet, 160. I get long in front of it when oil's looking strong. I get out. Here's what cost me my day. Why? Literally all of the issues that happened, lack of sleep, overconfidence, risk, lack of patience, messed me up here. So I went long a random level thinking that oil was gonna, sort of 5,000. It did not. I took way too much size. My decision making was poor because I was tired, and I get smoked. And then realizing that, I'm like, okay, that was a terrible trade, but the 160 level I still like. So I regrouped, got long, and then whatever. Lost overall. So what I wanted to hope for you guys to take away from this trade is the fact that when you have losers, you have to be aware of why you're losing and really understand the fact that a loser is for one day, not 2 days, not 3 days, not 4 days. So if you go over why you lost the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, you could smoke the trade.
Yeah, I'm reading a couple things in the chat, and people are like, I don't want to hear your excuses, right? Blah, 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 blah. Keep your excuses to yourself, buddy. All fun and jokes aside. That's what I'm trying to get to. Like, all fun and jokes aside, I did time those guys out because they're not excuses.
Yeah.
They're actual valid reasons why he lost on those trades. You could think that you're an absolute god of a trader because you had 5 great days in a row and you play video games late at night on a Sunday night, or you're too busy having fun with your girlfriend on a Sunday night that you forget to wake up on Monday morning, come in late, right? And then you're trading or whatever. Granted, that's not what it is. I know you had some family stuff yesterday that you had to go through, so that's probably on your head.
Yeah.
You're not in the right mental state because of the family thing.
Yeah.
You're not sleeping properly because you're dreaming about stocks, right? And then obviously you have all the other reasons that are probably not helping you make the right judgment.
Yeah.
So overall, I would not say those excuses. Anyone that thinks they're excuses, they're reasons. I think Sean wants to sit here.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't want to take over your show. By the way, we're short Neo right now on that 75 number. Look, yeah, no, I was listening to everything Brandon was saying, and the point is that you just like, when did you start trading?
October live.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So your first live trade was 4 months ago.
Yeah.
Right. So I think you're doing pretty good.
Thank you.
So I just think that, and I know what you guys are saying, and I wasn't even reading the chat, but it's like, these aren't excuses, right? They're reasons. And I mean, we all try to get better. We all, make mistakes all the time. And I just think that understanding where your mistakes come from is really the most important thing. And I mean,
and if I showed them my Chevron chart today, I didn't make those mistakes because I understood the reasons why that trade failed, and I overcame them today.
Right, and I think that's growing and being. Oh God, the Nasdaq's going back up here. Okay, I'm short. Yeah, and I just think that's part of it, right, guys? And I mean, it's like Neil, myself, and even Prad doesn't have so much experience, right? What, a year and a half or 2 years, right? And so it's like we all learn from our mistakes. Obviously, we're a lot older than these dudes. So, I mean, 21 years experience for me, definitely the 4 months here for Brandon. And people saying, did I hire him? No, I did not. Greg hired these guys. And so, yeah, I just want to say, continue your good work. And I just come here, to let the viewers know that, hey, this is what it's about. We're putting on some traders on this midday show, and we want to thank you again, taking your time to come on here and do this for us. And it's about learning, and it's about getting better, right? And even as I'm hearing him say these things, Neil just mentioned to me the same thing. He goes, one of his worst days trading was when he came in hungover or something, or super tired.
Not
it was
mine,
hungover.
Neil.
There
Yeah,
it is. So
yeah,
Neil just mentioning now, and I mean it is what it is, right?
Yeah.
I think that's part of it. And are you going to stop, enjoying your lifestyle? No, but maybe when you come in and feel some kind of ways, you use less shares. And I think that's what it's all about. But peace from the good side. Back to Prad.
No problem. Bye, guys. Enjoy your day.
Yeah, thank you for your trade outlook today, and for all the reasons why and how to improve yourself over there. Brandon, round of applause. Smash the like button for Brando for coming in and sharing it. It's not easy coming in and talking about your losses. You can get emotional about it. You know how emotional I get sometimes when I'm even taking losses live in front of you guys, right? So that being considered, for someone with the 4 months of experience he has, he's doing great. We love that kid, and he's gonna do wonders in the future. Congratulations to Branky. Sheesh, Prad, that session just got deep with Sean on there. Hey, good, man. That's what we're trying to get down to. We're trying to have fun. We're trying to educate. We're also trying to help people everywhere on the board. Short NIO 63 says Sean over there. So let's go check out NIO. He's short 1863s, and it is getting ready to go to the downside. Yeah, there we go. Moving down. Nasdaq did. He's been averaging into it. He said Nasdaq did try to go one more time, test the higher day, but the higher day rejected on the ES and on the Nasdaq both. So it looks like we're trying to see if we can now put that as the high on the day and start crushing to the downside on the market. Well, not crush, sorry, but move downside a little bit. I'm still waiting for that 4,200 retest on the ES to prove us that there is support for the catalyst that there was today. If on the down move to 4,200 there is no support, then obviously that's going to be very drastic for the market, because everything is going to turn around on a big time. Now Activision did not give me the fill that I wanted it to, but whatever, we're just going to have to deal with it. Why did I click that? I wanted Activision also trying to go back to the downside for us here, which would be great. It is boning down. Robinhood said no more day trades. What? You can't day trade on Robinhood? Are you serious? That's crazy. If they do that, they're really killing their own business overall. I mean, I guess you need what is it? 48? No, not 48. What am I saying? $25,000 for PDT anyways in America. So maybe something to do with that overall. But they might not. Oh, that's gonna be. I was saying might be PDT based. Yeah, it might be PDT based if anything. Short since 13,540. Short since 13,540. Nice short on the Nasdaq. 13,540 short. Pretty much the high of day almost. So 10 points away from the high of day on the Nasdaq over there. Could come down. I really think we're gonna try to retest that 4,200 level just to see if there is support there. But if the market bounces anywhere before 4,200, that just goes to show that buyers are willing to step up before yesterday's close and run it up, thanks to the catalyst that there was today. You're only allowed 4 day trades under 25. That's right. It's actually 3 day trades, and it goes open, close, open, close, open, close. So you can't do the 4th one, I believe. You're only allowed 3, if I remember correctly. Let me... PDT rule. 4. Pattern, accounting for you consider a pattern day trade if you execute 4 or more. Okay, you're right. 4. I thought it was 3. 4 or more. Just goes to show we don't deal with it over here on our side of the world. No PDT rule for us. 4 and 5 days. Got it. 3 round trips. Okay, so it was 3 round trips. I'm getting confused now. Either way, you guys understand the whole PDT rule. You guys get it. Down day trades, not trades. Yep, I have Robinhood. Okay, enough with the Robinhood. We already talked about it. Market actually getting ready to go back north here. Okay, looks like that that retest of 4,200 might not even happen, and we might just rip north all the way to the moon. Nasdaq now up 1.6%. And ES up 1.13%. Market's looking healthy. Activision turning away from us one more time. We'll have to see what Activision wants to do eventually. Where are we short at? And we'll have to do the final short here for this one. Ukraine no longer seeing NATO membership. Is that on the news? I don't really see that. Never mind. All right. You guys are lucky. I'm going to go look at some other stocks at the moment because I'm just seeing a lot of comments in the chat. So let's go look at what's on the leaderboard. CEI now red on the day. CEI at $1.08. Let's go check out CEI. Where am I typing? CEI on Amex. So CEI now at $1.08, negative on the day, was insanely positive, but obviously now we're looking at 16% to the downside, which obviously puts it on SSR, and that would also put it on SSR for tomorrow. So markets moving north, getting ready to rip all the shorts faces off. That goes for me also on my Activision short here. We'll see if we can have to stop ourselves on the break of 81.50 for Activision, or if we're able to hold it for the down move that we need Activision to do for us. 42.50 hard to break on SPX. 42.50, I see what you're saying. Yeah, 42.50, that is your ES high at the moment. Take a look at XLE. What's up, Miss V?
Yo, Prad, markets keep ripping. Well,
XLE, wow. XLE getting smoked. We were up 4% on the energy ETF. XLE now turning negative on the joke. Insane. Is any of the other stocks, HUSA, HUSA, down 41% now. Any other energy stocks that we were looking at earlier? Run, what's Run looking like? Run actually still positive on the day, not bad. Sun W getting smacked around too, but still up 23%, not bad at all. Oil stocks in general getting beat up, I guess. So IMPP was one of them that got halted. Now IMPP is down 38%. Holy moly, oil stocks are getting smoked. Let's go check out what crude oil is doing. Is crude oil moving by any chance? There we go. Crude oil back to 123 now, cracking way under the support ranges at 127 that we were looking at. Now we're looking at these 120s back again that we were at yesterday, I believe. So, yeah, big moves happening across the board on crude and oil sector and energy sector in general. Oxy, probably another one. Oxy's getting destroyed. Somebody just mentioned. Let's go check out Oxy. Oxy. Wow. Christian Dior. Yeah, exactly. Just getting clapped to the downside. Man, Oxy's getting clapped, but there's other stocks that are getting clapped a little bit harder, but I guess they're all relatively getting clapped in the same way. Oil stocks in general, beat up.
So Prad, actually Alex brought us that Kala Pharmaceuticals, KALA on Nasdaq. It's halted right now, up around 132%. So maybe we can take a look at that name also.
Which one, sorry?
KALA.
KALA, Kala. Wow, okay. That's a weird ticker over there. For anyone who's Indian, you know why.
Yeah, me too, though.
Do you? Why? For Russia?
Well, it's kind of
For India?
like Cal.
What's that?
What do you talk about?
Kala is the color of black in India.
Oh, okay, never mind then.
Well, yeah, Kala is the color of black. Yeah, Kala is the color of black. So I was just like a weird ticker. I've never actually seen this ticker in my life. But let me actually go look at the stock name now. KALA. What do these guys do? They're a pharmaceutical company, up 132% today. Any news for this, Miss V?
I don't see any breaking news, but let me check low float.
Yeah, that's a good point. Let's also
Free
check the
float,
flow.
64 million, but from the latest, what I see
10% short float.
from the news is that volatility trading paused at 1238, and Kala's dry eye drug Azuvis gets coverage by United Healthcare commercial.
United Healthcare's commercial.
Right.
So they're getting some boost over there. I also looked up their short float. Their short float was 10% overall. So they could also be a short candidate play over going on over here. Big difference in the level one. So ignore that 25 cents on the $22. The stock halted at $1.42. It halted at 12.36. So it should have already opened, or it's gonna open in the next minute or so. Actually, yeah, where's the time right now? Because my computer clock's delayed. Let me just put it on here on what's the number one volume today? CEI. Let's just do AMD because AMD always prints every second. So 1240. It should open up in the next minute or two over here on the stock. Halted at 1237 actually. So we'll give it a little bit longer to see where it opens up at. Currently indicating open up 145. So only 3 pennies above where it's currently halted at. AMD doing so well. AMD still moving up north. Nice. AMD's now at $108. Look at the beautiful move on AMD today, man. I guess the beautiful move across any stock today, especially tech market, Tesla, AMD. Let's go check out what Nvidia's looking like. Nvidia also moving north, almost back to $220 on Nvidia. It's actually at $220 at the moment. Microsoft, Apple. We have the Apple call, not the Apple call.
20 minutes event.
Yeah, Apple event, as Miss V just corrected me. Thank you. I keep losing words over there. The Apple event at 1 o'clock, which should maybe bring more moves for tech sector, because if Apple moves, Nasdaq is the biggest weight of Nasdaq is Apple, and I think the biggest weight of ES is also Apple. So if Apple moves, that's gonna move your Nasdaq and your ES overall to the north side. But right now, as someone mentioned, the 4250 level on the S&P 500 is very significant. We're struggling to go above it. AMD just flushed about 70 cents from 180. So multiple reasons why the market could see some downside action at the moment, but not like a complete downside action where they turn negative. I'm just talking about some reversals at the highs that we're seeing, because market's on a beautiful rip over here. What is Softy doing today? Softy under 300, but makes a nice move back to 280 from 270, which puts it flat on the day. Absolutely flat, almost on 1%. Lockheed Martin LMT crashing. Biden says no fighter jets. Why not? Easy payment plan. If Biden said no fighter jets or no military aid, then most likely we could see some of our North American LMT on New York. North American defense stocks kind of retrace a little bit, but we don't really know until the war is actually over, right? You know, he might say nothing today, and he might know that, but especially around situations where heated situations like a war situation and so on, anything can change on a flick of a switch overnight, especially. So, you know, making a trade on LMT based on what Biden said on the news doesn't really have that much of a meaning to me than what could happen overnight than when Biden's not speaking. So that's more important to me than what he said. Easy payment plan. What are they using? A firm for fighter jets? Yeah, buy now, pay never later on the fighter jets. F-24 Raptors, buy now, pay never later. Imagine. They don't even use, well, maybe the Ukraine side would use LMTs and whatnot, but Russia's got MiGs, so yeah, they don't even need that. I mean, why would they even supply Russia, to be honest? But yeah, I think maybe Ukraine could use it. Who knows? Who knows?
By the way, Prad, I think I sure agree.
Growth
Markets
mindset.
are beautiful today. So many opportunities for all of us. Tesla already broke 841 to the upside. Let's go, Tesla. And I remind you to smash the like button. Team, please make your contribution into the trading community. We're here every day for you, doing our best to be a good company for all our fellow traders. Please smash the like button. Help us to get that 1K as soon as possible. Again, for those who doesn't know how to like, right under this video there is this thumb. Please turn it black into the upside, and if you're in the chat, please enter the X in the top. If you're watching us from the phone, give us a like and come back to chat with us.
Thank you, Miss V. Where are we going to? XBVI. I don't know why every time I see like the last few letters in the alphabet, my brain just poops itself when reading the ticker, like Z's, X's, V's, U's. Those really confuse me. But like the starting few letters in the alphabet, like A, M, D, AMC, like these are so much easier than the X's and the V's. Anyone else have that issue, or is it just me?
I'm pretty sure I have some issues. I'm not sure with those.
It just happens to be with the English as a second language for both of us issue.
Right.
I guess so. All right. So XB. Well, I lost track of the ticker now. Where is the ticker? XBVI. Just say hi a day. I've been playing this one long while shorting XLE. XBVI. XBVI on Nasdaq. How is that not a Nasdaq stock? What? I can't even pull it up at the moment, so I gotta go check what it is on XBVI. It's not even a ticker. I think you typed it wrong. How are you buying stocks but don't know how to buy, guys? Oh, I thought you were talking to me for a second. I was like, what?
Yeah, some
I was like,
beef.
stop attacking me.
Exactly. As I said on the chat, zero risk for you to smash the like button. It's always going only higher, guys. So go long on the like button. And real quick, while we're here, guys, markets are positive. So why don't we take a look and see top 10 traders at Day Trade the World from yesterday. Again, I remind you, those gains are per one person trading with our Day Trade the World prop firm. So in the first place goes Europe Trader. 35,000 profit. Great job. Almost died in here. In the second place, we have Nasdaq New York Trader, 32,000, which is also great. And then we have also Amex Nasdaq New York, 10,000 profit. And on the fourth place, we have Europe, almost 10,000 profits. So great job, guys. And again, I remind you, everyone everywhere in the world can trade with Day Trade the World prop firm except for the US due to the regulations. So I will send you the link on the chat. You can come check it out. And I see a few people talk that they're working on to join Day Trade the World. So welcome to the family, everyone. And again, as you remember, we were opening up our traders position, so people who live in Toronto or GTA area can come and join this floor right here to trade with all of us. Sean, Neil, Brandon, myself, Prad, and even Tony, the Tiger. So guys, I hope you messaged Greg, and he will soon reply back to you. We'll start do these interviews, and many more traders will join our trading floor, and you won't be sad that we have so many computers that no one is using. Sarah Lucas, Miss V, can I join? Sarah, of course you can. I will send you Greg's email. I'm not sure, like, I think for now we postponed it because a lot of people would love to join, but anyways, I will send for you because today is the International Women's Day. So Sarah, my girl, congratulations. And guys, I wish we have more girls and women traders. If you hope for so too, smash the like button. Let's spread some love today. I will send you Sarah email right now. And again, guys, jump onto the last train and send your resume and show that you want to join the floor. I cannot have an office in the USA. That's right, due to the regulations in the US. This is the only place where like you cannot trade with Day Trade the World Prop firm. But again, guys, even if you don't want to open office at your place, you can always can go to the website and check out offices that already existing and join them and have fun. TH like number 685. Wow, Prad was just closing his pants.
No, I was putting my shirt back in my pants.
Oh yeah, sure.
All right. What's the market doing? Market's still struggling in front of that 4250 level, even though we're above it. It's not really, ripping past it. It's not really going below it. It's just playing around with that 4250 level. Let's see if we can eventually push ourselves down below from there or rip past that to the north side. Looks like we got a chart over here. Let's go check out what this chart is. Wow, Mr. Bottom Picker. Mr. Bottom Picker over here catching those bottoms at $1.05 or $1.04. I'm going to guess it's $1.03. No, that's $1.05. Anyways, who cares? Catching that long, moving all the way up to VWAP. No, that's not the VWAP, is it? That's a 50-period EMA. So this is Sean's long on CEI, Camber Energy, catching on the move down. Obviously your energy stocks. Why is this not working properly? There we go. All of those stocks got beat up big time over there just not too long ago, and catching the perfect long in front of $1 on CEI, giving him a that risk to reward. We talk about that all the time. That risk to reward is the kind of trade you look for all the time. Like every time you see a trade like that, you smash it. He was risking 5 cents, maybe 6 cents on the chance that $1 breaks, but his reward is 25 cents and more. Like how much is it gonna go up now? It has a possible chance to go all the way back to this day's high, which is $1.40, right? So 5-cent risk for a 25-cent reward. That's insane ratios right there, and you can scale up on that as many times as you want. And you take that 5 times a day, you're just cashing it out. Bang, 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 bang. So Sean coming in hot. Prad, how come you did not take a long just now before the market bounced? Because I don't find any trades that I like. I'm in trades that I want. I'm in trades that are gonna pay me, and I'm in trades that I enjoy trading. So obviously, no trade for me. I'm still waiting on the AMD 118.50 level. AMD 118.50, 108.50. Sorry, not 118. Still acting as a barrier a little bit. So we did go up to 108.23 today, and now we're once again back to the downside. Market actually showing us weakness now in front of that 42.50. Nasdaq showing us weakness in front of 13,600. So a lot of my positions are actually coming back to the downside here, especially Activision. So here we go. We are short 81.21, and Activision is now at 81.14. Not much in the penny side area. How much units per share? But I'm pretty loaded up on this short because it's something that we've been trading for so long. So I'm just gonna keep on repeating what I know has been paying me. Obviously, if it doesn't pay me 2 days in a row, then we stop doing it. 2 days in a row would be Friday. Or was it yesterday? No, I think it was Friday. Yeah, it was Friday where this guy just pulled the order and he was debating all of us. So if he does that again, then we get out of the trade and we stop leading against that person. DKNG $18 level. Wow, $18 on DraftKings. That is sad, sad, sad. So DraftKings $18 a level. Apparently, I'm guessing you mean that as a resistance side, not really to the south side. If that's the case, then DraftKings should be probably a short around here. Happens to be pretty much flat on the day, down 0.28%. Not some too significant to the downside today. Retracing quite a bit of the move after going all the way up to $17 on the low. Weak break of 17, as you guys can see, went as low as 16.89 and started moving up north along with the market. Beautiful move up north along with the market. Valeriia, thank you so much. What's with the hashtag Valeriia? I think he meant to put the at the rate. Yeah, he meant to put the at the rate, instead it came out with the hashtag.
I don't know, thank you for what, but you're very welcome.
Yeah, just accept it, Miss V. Take the compliments,
Absolutely.
okay? You deserve all of them.
Thank you, not only me, all the ladies traders on the chat, guys. Deborah reaching here. Go, Miss V, more women traders. You're beautiful inside and out. Love you so much. You rock. Deborah, thank you so much. I love you back. So glad to have you on the team, girls. Seeing you on the family, like my heart is melting. We support each other every day, and I hope that more women will be joining a trading path. More women will be doing whatever they want with no issues. Let's go, women's girl power. Who runs the world? The girls, as Beyonce said.
That's right. Who runs the world?
Girls.
Who runs the world? Girls. That's all I know from that song. That's the only thing I know from that song.
Only what you need to know.
That's the only thing you need to know. Or how about that song? It's a man's world, but it wouldn't be anything without a woman. Now that's a song right there.
Right.
You know that song?
Yeah.
I don't even know who sings that song. Who sings "This Is a Man's World"? Alicia Keys. Who? James Brown. Okay, thank you.
Alicia Keys, I believe, sings "Woman's Worth." Woman's Worth.
No, it's a man's world, but it's not. Yeah. James Brown. It's okay. I got the stink eye from Neil, and he gave me the answer. That's what I was going for.
James Brown.
And we got it. AMD, man, there we go. AMD actually clearing that 180.50 level, moving north now. Sheesh. Can we get a ice in these veins for AMD? AMD just ripping today, man. That 100 level on AMD never fails. Never fails. Beautiful level. I love the stock. As I mentioned already, I hope my dad is long and not getting out of the trade yet or taking some profits. Last time he went long at 100, he held it to 130 and then took profits. I hope he's doing something similar over here. Keep on killing it, Dad, because I'm going to need to borrow some of that money once I get home. CEI. Let's go check out CEI. CEI, man. Yeah, Sean's still killing the CEI trade. I don't know if he's in it still or not, but, you know, now 10 cents above where it previously was and getting ready to go to the 40 period, not 40, the 50 period EMA and the 100 period EMA, which just so happens to be near $1.40, $1.50. Most famous Canadian rapper, Drake. STX Puke. Seagate shares fall sharply, turn negative as co-executive currently presenting at Morgan Stanley Tech. Wow, that's sad. They're presenting tech and their market shares are going to the pooper. So, whoa, my God. What is that? That's a 3-minute candle. What just happened to the stock? Oh my goodness, 104 to 95 in just in a couple of minutes. That's nasty. So Brandon Wickens coming in with the hot news wire. Thank you for letting us know what's going on over there. Wow, Seagate, man, what's going on over here? This is why you only have Western Digital or Samsung products into your computer and not Seagate hard drives. Because look at this. This is probably what happens to your computer when you're gaming on Seagate hard drives. Oh my goodness. The energy bouncing ball. Catch it if you can. Yeah, pretty much a bouncing ball for energy stocks. What's IMPP doing now? Is IMPP rebounding a little bit? Not doing it the way CEI is doing. Obviously, IMPP is not also having the type of volume that it's used to in the past. It's only doing 5 times its relative volume. Before, I think yesterday we were doing anywhere close to 100 plus. And CEI doing 19 times now. A lot of these relative volumes have come down quite a bit. But still doing insane amount of volume, man. That CEI long in front of $1 was just absolutely, I mean, I don't want to say free, but it was free.
Prad or Miss V, if Tesla breaks 845, where do you see it headed to? Well, the next level, strong level, I can see is at around 853, 850ish, I would say. So I would be looking for this level, and I would love Tesla to go as high as there. And again, guys, I kind of having a FOMO today, but I had a good profit earlier. Like, yeah, it looks like a very small trade in comparison with this move, but again, it's $11 per share for me, so I'm trying to save my profits. But what a great day for Tesla. And also I'm keeping an eye on Apple event. They're preparing to get it started, so let's keep an eye on Apple also. 2 minutes left.
Awesome. Apple event coming in soon for us over there on at 1 o'clock, and it's about to be 1 o'clock soon. Where is my chart? There it is. So Missy was talking about Tesla levels. I was just mapping out to see, and I think I agree with her. You know, she said 850, 853, 855. Tesla moves in like crazy $10, $5 ranges. So if you were to go short 855, you have to kind of give it up to 860. If you're shorting 853, kind of have to give it up to 855, 857. So giving it that wiggle room, I think, you know, just pick 860 as a nice simple level, and then I have this 890. I think I might just pick 900 as a nice simple level instead. And I agree whatever with what Miss V said over there. Market moving north, Tesla having a great day. Almost every tech stock that we love is having a great day. Some of the oil stocks were having a great day, but not anymore. So I hope you guys had your stop losses set in place to protect you from getting beat up over there, because these were insane. These were up like what was IMPP up today at one point, like 20-30%? In pre-market, Miss View is gonna check what IMPP was up. I think that's what she's doing. She's cheating right now instead of doing the math. But I guess I should be doing the math.
IMPP was at 1.825.
Do you have it on the watch list?
We have it as a group, but we can take a look at it as a group. It doesn't matter because they all were like up.
Yeah,
so
yeah, good point.
IMPP, those are small oil stocks. Like as a group, 34% to the upside.
So as a group, they were up 34%,
Yeah.
and then the way she does it is she takes all the percentages and then she gets the average of that. So
That's
as
right.
an average, the basket was up 34%, and now it's pretty much the complete 360 turnaround of well, not 360, 180 turnaround of that 34%
Yep.
to the upside. So
That's
just
right.
goes to show how these energy stocks just did a complete U-turn.
Crazy. Yeah, you need to be always ready, guys, to switch.
100%.
And, yeah.
Stop losses save lives.
Oh yeah.
I stole that from League of Legends. There's a thing that says words save lives. You know what League of Legends is? It's a video game. I thought, you know, when you laughed, I thought you knew what it was.
No, I like that. Stop loss, save lives.
Yeah, it's from in the game. You're supposed to throw these things called wards, and wards kind of add light to an area that doesn't have a light because the
Okay.
map is dark and you can only see in the area where you are walking around. So if you leave this like a light post to light up that area every time an enemy member walks to that area, you can see them. That's why they're just saying in the game that wards save lives, because you can see the enemy coming and you can see you're about to get beat up by the
That's
enemy.
sweet. Yeah.
So stop save lives.
When stock goes around you, this is enemy after me.
Yeah, no.
Shout
it's-
out to
Stop.
Tinder swindler.
Tinder swindler. We gotta bring him onto the show for an interview.
Would be so
Yeah.
cool.
We gotta interview the Tinder swindler. That'd be funny. He did say he was coming to Toronto, though, right?
Right.
We'll see. No spoiler alerts, Prad. No spoiler alerts. That's just did you see Arcane? Oh yeah, for sure. Of course I saw Arcane. That was a pretty sick animated show, especially if you're into League of Legends by any chance. I did not watch the Dota one because obviously I don't play Dota. Market did finally manage to get above 4250 this time and do so successfully. Now we're clearing 4250 to the north side. ES is now up 1.54%. NASDAQ up 2.3% and well above Well, not well above. 22 points above 13,600. Let's see if we can continue that extension move. Go extendo arm north side on everything. AMD now 108.68, getting ready to go test the 109 area. I think we opened yesterday at 109. Looks like that is right. We opened around 109 on yesterday's candle. So the fact that we retraced all of it all the way back to 109 is going to be a great indication. I think it was Mookie Wilson who said we're going to go all the way to 110 if we clear 107. Let's see that 110 level coming into play too. Market's looking beautiful with this crazy new move up north that we're seeing in the market.
That's right, and guys, Tim Cook just welcomed everyone, and Apple event has begun. So let's see what Apple will bring up for us.
Is that Apple Plus?
It's Apple Movies.
Yeah, I can't wait that looks pretty cool actually.
That's right.
Oh, no, yeah, okay. That's
Okay,
pretty cool.
all right, sorry guys.
I got distracted by that. Good
Right,
job,
me
Miss V.
too.
Now I want to go watch whatever that movie was with I don't even know who that actor is anymore. Northside, where you at? Hey, Northside's coming in hot, man. Nasdaq now up 2.5% on the day when we were up 1%. ES is up 1.6% when we were down 1 full percent. Market's getting ready to do the dance over here, the party dance. Put it back now. What are we putting back? Oh, the Miss V's camera view. All right. DIWN. I think you misspelled. Oh, down. Put it back down. Apple will own the streaming wars in time. I think you are not wrong with that statement, honestly. I'm a big hater on Apple just because I'm a big Google guy, but I cannot hate on what Apple does in general in these current times. No, Google, I did not ask you to wake up. Shush. But yeah, I can't be a hater during these times. I could still be a hater about their laptops because of their closed mentality system where they won't allow you to open it up and do whatever you want with it. But man, the company is such a beautiful company. Apple Plus or whatever it's called, Apple Streaming Plus. What is it called?
Apple, I believe it's something.
Apple Movies, Apple Plus. I think it's Apple TV. Okay, yeah. Apple TV for sure, most likely taking over the streaming world without a problem. And the reason I say that is because if you were watching Macbeth, Denzel Washington played Macbeth for Apple TV, and my goodness, was it good. I'm not really like a Shakespeare guy or anything. Like, I'm just a Denzel guy, and that was insane. So I think Apple TV is up to some crazy stuff over there. Lasso 3? Ted Lasso? Never seen that before. Really? That's cap. It's got to be big. No, what's the thing called? That's 7 Emmys. Wow. Okay, so we got to find out what this one is. Lasso. Apple Plus is packaged for music, arcade, and Apple TV, but it's Apple TV. Got it. Thank you. Make sure to smash. That's a Nightbot. Where are we going to? Ted Lasso is great. That's what I'm hearing from Sean at the moment.
I
What's
like
up, Miss
the
V?
actor so much.
The what?
The actor, like the main actor in there, this
Oh,
guy.
he's a comedy guy.
Yeah,
he's
like
a great
him.
one.
Yeah.
You know who his wife is?
No,
He's got a hot wife, Olivia Wilde.
I know her.
I used to be so infatuated with Olivia Wilde, and then I found out she married him. I'm like, okay, there goes my chance.
Prad. Khloe Kardashian.
No.
Kardashian.
We want Margot Robbie. It's Margot Robbie or nobody, okay? It's Margot Robbie or pass. Miss V goes, psh.
Yeah.
It's Margot Robbie or pass, Miss V. Okay?
I would marry Margot Robbie too.
Yeah, I bet you would. Hey, she's my girl. Back up.
Okay, who has more chances?
Most likely you.
Let's be
without a
honest,
doubt.
none of us. It's okay.
It's
She's already
probably you.
taken. She's already taken.
So?
We're not gonna break.
I'm gonna
family.
break the house apart. So what if she's taken? I'm not a home wrecker, but for Margot Robbie, I'll wreck that home. Pratt still has a chance, Miss V. She's not married yet.
Oh,
let's
okay.
go. Awesome. Kendall Jenner, yeah, we could do with Kendall Jenner too. All right. where are we going? Moving away from that conversation a little bit. Let's see what the market's doing. Market's still ripping, man. AMD's now above 109, looking good. AMD. Check my SoFi. What is SoFi doing? SoFi back above 10 by any chance? Please, God. Yes. Back above 10 for SoFi finally. 4% up on the day. But, I learned to not be so happy when the SoFi moves up, because the next day, eventually, we are immediately back to the downside. So, I'm learning to just let SoFi do what it wants to do every day. Eventually, we'll check on it in 5 years if my money is still in the account or if the account's completely blown up thanks to SoFi. But today, though, as Sean just mentioned, SoFi, beautiful recovery back, 4.5% up north. Not on SSR from yesterday, which is good. So that means we were not down 10% or more yesterday. And I want it to be above 10. If SoFi closes above 10, that's a great price point for SoFi, in my opinion. AMD almost back to $110 here. So I think.
Sorry, but just real quick, I want to show they now brought up iPhones with new colors.
Green.
I like this. How you it's not a green one, not
Kryptonite
camouflage
green.
or something
Camouflage,
like this. So they bring up new iPhones 13s in new colors, I believe. So yeah, available March 18. Silicon. Okay, I'll keep you updated, guys.
Apple Silicon. What the heck is that?
Yeah, I'll let you know.
All right. Squeeze. What are we squeezing? I mean, I don't think.
Camo. Yeah, camo.
Camo. I like that. Phones don't really need a case anymore. I don't know about that, man. I think phones still need a case, but I agree with you on that end, though, no matter what, because I am a big anti-case guy for phones. Even though all my phones I've ever owned have cracks all over them, I'm a big anti-case guy. And that just means when I do buy my Google Pixel, or if I do buy my Google Pixel, it's not going to have a case on it, without a doubt. No cases forever. I'm no case gang, baby. No case gang. I might put D brand skins on it for all I know, but no case gang. Looked like AMD touched 110. Yeah, it exactly tickled 110 by 5 cents and dropped to the ground over here. Well, not dropped to the ground, but we're coming off after tickling 110 on AMD. Let's see if the market's coming off. Not just yet. Wow, another phone with many cameras to watch you. 100%. That is right. Hey, man, listen. They already know what I'm doing. They know what I'm thinking. They know what I'm eating. What's one more point for them to do that, right?
They want a smaller iPhone
nobody knows
now.
what that is. Sorry, Miss V?
They want a smaller iPhone.
Smaller iPhone with a smaller screen?
It is, let me put it on pause so you can see in here, guys. This is probably the smaller iPhone. Oh, it's still Prad. This is a smaller iPhone, very small, one camera for those who are scared about a lot of cameras. And it's going to be, I believe, as fast as like bigger ones, but the body is smaller. Looks so much like iPod, if you remember iPods.
Oh yeah, I used to have an iPod. The mini iPods.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to have those. I'm just trying to look for where Google is. There's Google Pixel 6 Pro. So somebody said, Prad, it's so slippery that it's gonna fall off your hand. The new Pixel 6 or whatever. And this is what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna get a D brand skin. You know, this gets talked about on MKBHD all the time. MKBHD, the homie. Do you have a D brand skin? He has a Pixel 6. Yeah, see, no skin on it. It's got to be no cover. Oh, wait, you just pulled off the cover. Oh, the credit card cover. Okay, yeah, it's got to go no cover mode. I love it. It looks clean. I don't want to break his phone. I'm known to breaking phones. I love it. It's kind of heavy, though. It's heavier than the Pixel 3. Is it not?
I don't know, probably it's bigger.
You had the Pixel 3, bro.
I don't know if it's heavier.
It's heavier than the Pixel 3 feels like, but I like it. I'm still waiting to buy it. I don't know why I keep hesitating on it, but this is what I would do. I just put one of these skins on it that would give it grip, you know, like a carbon fiber or even like a black leather one that would give it a nice grip. I'll actually send this link to Sean in the work chat. Maybe he will think about buying one if he wants one. But yeah, good skins over there for anyone who wants to buy one.
Yeah, congrats on that Google Pixel. Now let's go back to Apple. Just
Apple.
kidding, Prad. And yeah, they say iPhone SE will be super fast, and here like they comparing to our other models.
More models, more. Did they talk about anything about their chips by any chance for their phones?
A15?
A15 chips.
Yeah.
They talked about it.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so they are gonna use the same chips over there. They're not gonna downgrade the chip, which is good. But that one thing that does suck though is
16 core neural engine.
16 core engine. Okay, AMD. Sorry, not AMD. What's their name? Apple trying to go fancy over there. That leather does look nice, doesn't it? Yeah, I'll just post a link here for you. There you go. We're not sponsored by them, so if you do get scammed by them, I've never been scammed by them, but if you do get scammed by them, don't come at TraderTV.Live's umbrella and come yelling at us, okay? We're not sponsored by these guys. Okay, where we're going to? I dropped one of my phones. Enough phone talk over there unless it's something from Miss V about Apple. Then obviously we have to learn about what's going on Apple over there.
This is very helpful feature. So basically, you can tap on photo and it will bring up the text for you. I think they should bring it to all other models too.
Nice, yeah. I thought that already had that. Or no, the Google one has that. I've seen the Google picture, Sean's phone do that. But yeah, more AI being incorporated on all phones in general. The ability to read a picture and decipher that picture's text, the ability to even point the camera at any object, and Google Lens will literally tell you what it's looking at, and if it's wrong, you can correct it and help the algorithm better itself. So more opportunities to have the camera phone really help you what you're looking at. This is good for a lot of avenues, but also bad in a lot of places where if you're a tin hat conversation guy, then you're probably scared that these cameras are watching you. If you don't really care about what the cameras are doing, then at the end they'll really benefit a lot of people in the future, in my opinion. I'm still waiting for those Google Lenses things, right? Those Google glasses. Maybe this is a step for that. This algorithm improves itself to the point where we have those heads-up display right into our glasses over here, where I can just see information right into my glasses frames.
Prad, they are bringing Touch ID back. I think this is a
What's
great
that?
Touch ID when you can unlock your iPhone with your fingertip.
Okay.
Because during COVID times, a lot of iPhone users were upset because you're wearing mask and you cannot unlock it. So I think this is the great feature they are bringing back.
Nice. I also heard that Apple is obviously getting into accepting payments business, so maybe they talk about that too, where you don't need a little square adapter to accept payments. For example, if I was to sell you like a Bape shirt or something, I don't need a little attachment under my phone or at the top of my phone or whatever it is to swipe my card. So now Apple Pay, you just be able to tap the card on the back of my phone or something, and I can just accept the payments that way. We'll see how Apple wants to get into that ecosystem. Overall, they're trying to disrupt the payment system too. So Visa, MasterCard probably have some competition coming in soon.
In and Out sent us 10 Canadian dollars, and as you remember, this is our beautiful friend, owner from Yummy Burgers. Hi there. God give woman to man as a helper. The woman, she came to your life equipped to help you fulfill your purposes. Then thank you to woman. Happy Women's Day. Burger, 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 yummies. Thank you so much. And indeed, guys,
His name's Tony? I forgot what
Don't put me under the car.
And I'm trying to remember too. I can't remember.
Anyways, we have on Instagram that beautiful picture. This is In and Out user, Daniel. We
There
love
we
you,
go.
Daniel. Hi there. Real quick, guys. iPhones will be priced starting from $425.
Oh, cheaper.
Yes.
Nice, cheaper indeed. So not more expensive, cheaper for sure. Daniel, I have a question for you though. Why is your username In and Out?
Right?
Why is your username In and Out if you run Yummies? We want to see Yummies username. That way every time we see Yummies in the chat, we know who we're talking to, Daniel. You're confusing us over here with the In and Out username. But yeah, thank you for that super chat. Thank you for always coming by, showing some love. And once again, ladies and ladies only, Happy Women's Day.
Thank you. And thank you, men who support women, make our lives better, and care for us, understand us.
I might have to take some flowers for mom today. We'll
That's
see.
right. It would be so nice of you.
In-N-Out always packed. I've never been there. I would like to try it, but I can tell you one thing: it's nowhere as good as Yummy's is. I can tell you that without a doubt. Ah, my belt buckle just popped.
Yeah, Miss Knock Knocked.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry now that we're talking about Yummies. 40 minutes left for market movers over here until I can go eat some Cajun chicken. Cajun chicken, baby. All right. I thought he owned In-N-Out. No. Does he? If he owns In-N-Out, then why is there no In-N-Out in Canada yet? No, I don't think he owns In-N-Out. All right. Discord is down. Uh-oh. If Discord's down, then most likely other services could be going down with it. AWS, your Facebook and so on. Let me know if Facebook goes down too. In the stock market, I love In-N-Out 100%, man. That's all the market is. We're in here to make money. That means you got to be in and out. If it's only getting in and no getting out, then are you really making money? Or are you just holding, right? So you got to be in and you got to go learn to be out also. MRVL. Marvel had earnings not too long ago on MRVL.
That's
NASDAQ.
right.
8 million shares traded so far on this position. Let's go check out what the stock looks like on the dailies. MRVL, how was the earnings report? So they actually beat the earnings report, but they moved down. Obviously, the market sentiment was negative, so that could have pushed the market, or not market, could have pushed the stock to the downside a little bit more than it should have. Overall, though, MRVL trying to go reclaim the $69 level over here, which could act as a barrier once we do get there. Multipoo, that's right, that's your dog's breed, which we're still waiting on. I'm more impatient than she is right now.
No, it's just drama for me. Trauma.
Drama. Love onions on my burger. Oh, you gotta have onions on your burger. Come on, you gotta have onions on your burger. You gotta have pickles on your burger, tomatoes, lettuce, maybe a little, not too much, but lettuce is mandated. You gotta have some
Do you know
ketchup.
Big Mac song?
Big Mac song? No.
Big Mac.
No.
I know, but in Russian, so.
Sing it.
Две мясных котлеты гриль,
Is that like the
специальный
advertisement?
соус, сыр. Yes, from McDonald's. It's a
Okay.
kind of, the song tells what's on the Big Mac.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sing it.
Только так, это Big Mac.
I love it. They're gonna hire you for the next one.
To McDonald's. Thank
Yeah,
you.
for the Russian advertisement, we're gonna see TraderTV.Live sponsored. all over
Well,
the
let's
place.
wait for a bit. I guess McDonald's will soon.
No,
Livy.
don't say that.
Will be hard.
No, that's gonna be okay. We'll just move away from that. That's gonna be bad if they do that. What was I saying though? When Neil took us to the basketball game, and then they were talking about all the celebrities that were there at the basketball game.
Yeah.
So they went from like, oh, Alicia Cara, thing, blah blah blah, and then I was like, Trader TV Live.
Right. Imagine
And then
they
Neil just
should.
goes, one day, bro.
Right.
Don't worry, one day. So hopefully in the future we get to sit beside Nav Bhatia. And then when they're spanning all the famous people, they just go to us, and we're all just sitting there in the front row by the court side,
In shades. Like,
in the shades, indoors. Yeah.
Right.
One day. Marvel's tried to go reclaim that 69 level, but we're seeing that resistance coming in front of 68 already. Did you know that the McDonald's "I'm Loving It" tune was sang by Pusha T?
I didn't.
Pusha T did that. Oh yeah, there's a Big Mac, then there's a chicken Big. No way, there's a chicken Big Mac. What?
I accidentally. How's Oxy doing? What's up? Accidentally ordered my Big Mac without meat. That was like, sorry, but
We
the
just get
worst.
a bread pickle.
Yes, they
Lettuce,
have
tomato?
now Big Mac without meat. I haven't heard about chicken one, but they now sell Big Mac without meat for a long time now.
Same price?
I don't think so.
Okay. If they charge
But
the same
imagine
price,
I open it's only bread.
I would cry if they would charge the same price and I got that. I was like,
Disappointment of a year.
oh, how did you even order that, Miss V?
Accidentally.
Misclick, I guess. McPlant, is that still around? Now, you just go to your garden and grab a plant from your garden and eat that, bro. That's a McPlant right there. All right, give me the burger without the burger. That's right, the burger without the burger, the burger without the patties, burger without the bun. There's so many combos now to eat the burger. I guess. Is there Five Guys in Canada?
Yes.
Yeah, there is Five Guys in Canada. I actually haven't had Five Guys in so long. There is Five Guys in Canada. Nowadays there is MAC soon to be silvered Mac. What? I don't get that. Beast meal is the Spicy in Singapore. McDonald's Beast meal. Talking about Beast, Mr. Beast was on Joe Rogan Experience. I learned a lot of crazy stuff about YouTube last night listening to him. Maybe we can apply that to our channel, Sean. The McCrabby Patty. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Moving on from McDonald's and Warren Buffett's favorite company in the world. Apparently, he still eats one McDonald's every day. So I don't know if that's true. But if he does, woof, that man. All right. CNN is talking about McDonald's? No way. There's no way.
No.
All right. No way.
Stop, guys.
Apple says new iPhone SE has A15 Bionic chip. Okay. Bionic chip.
They're now talking about iPads. Yo, guys, like iPads already are very cool. I saw new models of iPad, like so many options. They're so useful, helpful for art people, design people, and this one even like so great. I'm keeping an eye on that. So many new cool features. So the iPad worth watching.
iPad Air. I like it. More
Yes.
and more iPads, more technology, more ways to people spend money in high inflation periods. I like it. Obviously, that's not going to stop Apple lovers. If $1,000 headphones is not going to stop Apple lovers to buy Apple products, then nothing will, right? So that's just a crazy brand that Apple has, such a crazy cult-like following that Apple has, that the stock will never go to zero or even lose half of its value. So that's why, Sean always talks to me about just buy Apple when it's at 150, dude. Just buy Apple when it's at 150. And every time I forget to. Prad, quick peek at charge point, CHPT. Well, I'm typing in the chat. Give me a second. CHPT on New York. Let's go check out what this one's doing today. 10 million shares traded overall. Let's see the chart.
Oh,
What's up?
oh no, like we were just talking about this, and that's true actually. Today news came at 1:20 around the time we were talking about McDonald's, that they're going to temporarily close all restaurants and pause all operations in Russia.
So that already happened.
Wow, McDonald's, let's go. Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, that's obviously not something to make a joke about. Just the time we're in. Can't help it. Hopefully in the future, not hopefully, they will have to go back in the future. Russia is such a big economy, they have to go back in the future.
I mean,
but yeah, the current time beings call when in Rome, dress like a Roman, right? So current time beings are calling for
that's right.
for whatever it is. Also closing in Hong Kong for COVID. Ooh, I didn't know that. COVID, what, round 5 of COVID now? Jesus, come on, man. No Big Macs. No Big Mac. I'm still waiting for Big Mac sauce. Aren't they supposed to be selling that in Costco's?
We don't have Costco.
We do have Costco. Oh, here. I'm talking about here.
Ah, but what happened here?
I thought Big Mac sauce was supposed to be sold in Costco.
Yeah, I believe you can buy him not only
you
in
can still
Costco.
buy
The
it?
thing is, I don't understand what's wrong with Canada, guys. Right? If in USA you have cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce in McDonald's?
Yeah,
I think I've heard that before.
this is so good. This is the best, and
I think I've heard
can't-
that before.
Why we don't have it in here?
They change so many recipes every time they move from one place to another. But I guess, as I mentioned earlier, when in Rome, be Roman, right? So they're just catering to other people's needs over there. Can't complain about that, I guess. A lot of Russia comments. I'm not going to try and read those comments because obviously we don't want to bring more political stuff in here. So I'm just going to try and focus on the market at the moment. Market getting back to 4250. This is your ES is S&P 500. S&P 500 coming back down a little bit. So 4250 was the level previously that the market was using as a barrier. Obviously we cleared that. Now we're coming back to the downside. Let's see if we have support on that barrier, or if not, around that barrier, you know, at least on the downside to 42.20 at the best. Having support over here would be great for the market. That way we can have the second leg up north. Or run north, at least second leg north. Nasdaq still up on the day now after having pretty much a bad day to begin with, but now we're up 1.58%. But look at that correction candle coming in a little bit. Obviously, lunchtime has finished a long time ago. We're about 28 minutes past lunchtime. We still got another 32 minutes left with market movers, so volumes should have picked up in the market quite a bit of time ago, but we're still not seeing that happen just yet. Maybe soon, but markets are coming to the downside. So AMD pinged 110 as Mookie said it would, and is now at 107 on AMD. Where's Nvidia? AMD pinged 110 and came down to 107. Nvidia at what? Nvidia still at 220. Okay, Nvidia, I see you. Oh, that's because it ripped up to 224. That makes sense. Because last time we pulled up, we were at 220. It ripped up to 224, and now we're back to 220 on Nvidia. And let's go take a look at Apple, because obviously we have the Apple event going on.
That's
Apple
right.
moves from 156. We were at 156 on Apple today. I should have just bought Apple shares on my account today.
You see?
We were at 156 on this. I thought we would be over 160 today. Oh my goodness. I don't trade Apple on a daily basis. I don't know why they're pretty much the same price as AMD over there. I trade Nvidia more than Apple. I honestly don't know why. This is nuts. I should have just bought some Apple shares today. I'm actually beating myself up right now. I'm knocked out, man. I got knocked out by myself. But what can you do? Maybe tomorrow, if we come back down to 150s, we're buying this stock. I'm not. This is the third time that I'm crying this song. Like, this is literally the third time I'm crying that I haven't bought Apple at 150. So maybe the fourth time I'll learn how to actually buy some shares. Jesus. Same, Prad. I know. It just sucks to see this happen. Like, what a dumb I am for watching it. Apple lower than this? Lower than 150?
What's your bid at 153?
Yeah, I'll put my bid at 153.
Leave it there, you don't have to worry.
Nah, it cancels on Wealthsimple.
Oh, you can't do it.
Nah, it cancels 24 hours. Pay attention to the charts. Yeah, obviously, like I mentioned already, I don't really look at Apple as much as I should. I really should be looking at Apple more. Moving on from Apple, oil ban only on new contracts. Oil ban only on new contracts. I'm not sure I understand what that means. I'm looking over to the news to see if there's anything being talked about over there. And nope, nothing really. Pay attention to the charts. We already talked about that. So we're going to move away from the chat a little bit. Go look at some volume leaders one more time. CEI trying to get back to flat on the day. Notice how it was green over here. It turned to deep red, and now it's turning back to white. So let's go check on what CEI is doing. CEI should be, less than up 1% to the downside, but still down on the day now. And obviously on SSR, because these stocks have turned around quite a bit. You guys saw Sean take a long at 105 and his exit at 130s most likely. And IMPP, let's go take a look at what this one's doing. Has not retraced the way CEI did. And Husa was the other one that we were looking at. Husa also looking a lot like IMPP, and looks like Camber is the only one that retraced most of that move back up. Let's actually also go look at 9. 9. Come on, 9. Where is the chart? There we go. 9 still up on the day, but looks like we're finding support near $5 on 9.
Real quick, probably we're mentioning that 850 level, so Tesla just touched that level, and along with the rest of the market, got rejected and gave short opportunities out of that 850. So guys, if you were looking for that short and caught that, congratulations.
Congratulations.
I like the song. My mama's dog.
Yeah, that's right. That's right, Miss V. Look at you go. Some Post Malone flex over there from Miss V and Trader Prad. Prad and Miss V, appreciate your engagement with the chat. No problem, Deborah. You know, it's
Aww.
kind of nothing to do in the market right now. Obviously, I don't really trade this time of the day. My trades happen in the morning and in the close, so nothing for me to make. I'm just managing my positions over here, my buyout stocks. I'll show you how I've been moving size on this position. Look how boring it looks, right? All I'm doing is making the market, basically. So that's why we don't talk about this too much, because you imagine you taking advantage of this the way you won't be able to, right? If your entry fees are $7 and your exit fees are $7, you're basically getting beat up on everything over here. But as for me, I'm basically collecting fees every time I go in and out. So I'm making the market over there by pushing a ton of money on each direction of the trade. Kind of something that I was doing on Activision too, but Activision is a little bit more volatile buyout stock. So, I wait for my entries on the extreme corners, either on the lows or the highs, and then I try to finesse my trade overall.
Real quick, we have some sort of drama on the chat. Alex Anzo really missing Tyron Bigums. I don't know what happened between of you guys, but Alex really want to be your friend Tyrone. So I have been just asked to say that. So Tyrone, Alex misses you.
Friend maker over here, Miss V, making
Miss V
relationships. So what's that?
Cupid,
yeah, Cupid over here. She's throwing the bow and arrows at all of you over there. Hopefully it's stuck to Tyrone's butt and Alex's butt, because they're trying to get a room together. Get a room, guys. Get a room. This markets makes me want to puke. I can understand 100% why. So Nasdaq has come back to the downside quite a bit here. ES has also come back to the downside quite a bit. ES is once again your S&P 500. Both have come down quite a bit. Looking for support around this price point, 42,250, 42,20, and NQ/H22CM. We're looking for support around 13,450. Sorry, not 34. 13,450. We'll see if these two markets can find support in those consolidation areas and have a chance to go up north one more time. We got about 30 minutes left, and waiting for market to really show us volume somewhere across the board. Prad, can you give an opinion on MRVL? Yeah, pretty sure I already gave an opinion on MRVL. The $69 level is the barrier that we're looking at right here. Until we get there, I wouldn't really try to short the stock. And then we have support around $64 right here, even though we open at $60 today. Support around $64. What's this low? 64, 67? Yeah. So support around here and resistance around 69. Let's go, Activision. Woo! Let's go. Bring it more to the downside. Let me get that catch fill on $81, Activision. Come on, bring it. Crush it to the downside. Selling rips still in effect. Selling rips, buying dips, whatever it is. Making money is the only thing that matters, baby. And obviously, whatever strategy is being available, you take advantage of that. At one point, you could say buying dips still in effect, and now you could say selling rips is in effect. I mean, at the end over here, for me, it looks like we're very much up and down all over the place. Really no direction being established in the market. You know, we were down 1%, now we're up 1%. This market could really see more darkness in the coming future. We still got some possible negative catalysts coming on in the future. So not something that I'm very excited for to buy the dips on positions yet. I know everyone's thinking about it. Everyone's like, oh, discount on stocks, but the discount can get even more discounted.
On Apple News, those iPad will have fabric simulation faster. Sorry, I didn't even know they can do things like that. Again, I'm saying you, from my point of view, those iPads are very helpful for people like who do music, design, art, any type of.
That's Ableton. That's Ableton. That software?
Yeah.
I've used it before.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna be really cool, guys. I like that iPad.
The drum pad or the iPad?
iPad in total, like it has a lot of cool features. I
Nice.
guess.
Yeah, I don't know if you remember. Do you have a MacBook?
Yes.
Do you have GarageBand on there still?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's still a thing, right? I remember when my QA company gave me a MacBook to program on, and I was like, oh, this one has GarageBand. This is cool. Let me try it out. That's my first time ever trying it, and you know, it's such cool softwares that Apple just comes with pre-built.
That's right.
I think they also had the. It wasn't FaceTime, but it was one of the first renditions of webcam filters. One of the first ever like webcam filters, kind of.
Yes, they do. It's just camera.
Photo booth.
Yes,
There
just
we go.
camera on MacBook.
Yeah.
I love. It's like from 2015. My poor old MacBook feels so bad, but. He's still strong. All right, we have a super chat from LMK. Made a solid 8K of just 3 Tesla calls from 790 to 845 and dropped as soon as I took profits. Sharing it with my trading fam. Best of luck for the day. Everyone better like the channel up. I repeat, everyone better like this channel up. And LMK, I'm so happy to hear you're having a profitable day. And it makes it even better for me to hear you're making profit out of Tesla. Keep it up, save your profit, and again, I wish you triple your profits. Good luck.
Sean just turned around and he goes, did you see that Snoop Dogg joined FaZe Clan? And I go, yeah, of course I saw that. Snoop Dogg joined FaZe Clan over there for his love of NFL, for his love of 2K, and for his love of Madden. I think he plays Madden a lot. You know, watching Snoop Dogg play games on Twitch is some of the funniest times ever. And, you know, congratulations to FaZe Clan for signing such a legend to their roster. I still hate FaZe Clan no matter what. FaZe Clan is just a bunch of complete degens who are just you know, it's a complete joke. Like FaZe Clan as an esport is a joke, but I don't know why Snoop Dogg decided to join them. But more props to Snoop Dogg for actually opening up the world into the gaming a little bit more. I was actually on a Twitter space recently talking to Snoop Dogg. Well, I wasn't talking to Snoop Dogg. I was listening to Snoop Dogg talk. And Snoop Dogg was talking about how he's taking the Death Row Records. You know how he acquired Death Row Records from Suge Knight? And he was talking about his future plans with Death Row. How he's going to do NFTs for movies, for music, for recording even videos, everything. He just wants to do NFT based. He's so big into NFTs now, and if you go check his OpenSea account, he has so many NFTs. So Snoop Dogg has some crazy, wild, insanely opportunistic ideas for the future, including NFTs, including cryptocurrencies. and I'm actually bullish by listening to Snoop Dogg talk over there. And then today on the way to work, we find out that he's actually in FaZe Clan, which is good for esports in general. We know Offset was in FaZe Clan before Snoop Dogg. We know Drake is invested in 100 Thieves directly with the help of the Cleveland Cavaliers. So esports is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But man, what a time to be a fan of 100 Thieves. It is almost like being a fan of Maple Leafs from '67. It sucks. It absolutely sucks being a 100 Thieves fan right now.
Sorry, brother, is it Mr. Proper?
Sorry, Miss V?
Is it Mr. Proper
Who's Mr. Proper?
on the image?
Who the heck is Mr. Proper?
Cleaning guy.
Yeah, Mr. That's his name?
Mr. Proper.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never known his name until now. Yeah, it's Mr. Proper.
Okay.
Hopefully there's no bad messages here. But yeah, I basically said I'm getting cleaned on the shorts on the futures, and I put Mr. Clean in there because he's
I
the
mean,
market.
he's not that extra on actual advertisement, but his name is Mr.
You sure he's not that extra? I
Um,
think he's that extra on the advertisement, Miss V. But yeah, I was just getting cleaned on the futures shorts, but I'm pretty much
Oh,
break
he's
even on
Mr.
the
Clean.
day.
Sorry. I don't know. Some people call him. Oh, in Europe we call him Mr. Proper, and in America you guys call him Mr. Clean. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. They changed the name over there for the Europe side. Wow.
Mr. Clean.
Mr.
He's
Clean,
a spy.
Mr. Clean, and then his head has a little tinkle in his bald head. Yeah. REI, Let's go check out REI. REI on AMEX. I got that right. Yes, sir. REI down 1.32%. Market's getting ready to go test that 4,200 as I said it should. So that's good. It's about to go test that 4,200 one more time here to test if there's actually support. REI. So Ring Energy, another energy stock. Did it get beat up by the overall energy sector? It did. So that energy flush, get beat up this one also and brought it to the downside. What about all the ammo donated? What are you talking about? No market reaction, question mark. Oh, you're talking about the LMT, whatever stuff. We'll see. Obviously, we don't know. Would you buy Mr. Clean Band-Aids?
I
No.
just googled. There are no one.
No Mr. Clean Band-Aids.
No.
Yeah, they don't even exist. Husa is ripping back up. What's up, Miss V?
No, it's not.
Husa is trying to go back up. I wouldn't say ripping. It did make a decent move from what, $6 to back to almost $8 here in the span of almost an hour. So it is trying to go back up. We'll see how far does it actually go back up. The question now is, after the weakness that got put into the energy and oil sectors, especially in the crudes, where's CL currently? CL went back up, man. Wow, CL just instantly shot back up from that 122 line. So maybe energy sector as a whole starts bumping once again to the north side. As we said, there could be an inverse relationship between market and crude, and it's standing out to be like that one more time. Market's coming back to the downside and crude is ripping north. INDO, Indo. We Indo, sitting Indo, smoking Indo, trading Indo. Where is Indo? On Amex, finally. After all those guesses, every day I get this one so wrong. I start off with NASDAQ because it's a 4-letter ticker. Then I end up with Amex at the end. All right. Indo still down on the day, obviously. 28% down, and 6.4 million shares traded so far. Bouncing off of looks like $33. It did break below 33 to 10 cents. But bouncing off of $33 and moving back to 45 at the moment, with the overall crude sector moving up north. INDO. Let's go check out what INDO is looking on the dailies. INDO support around 42, even though we did dip up to 31 on today. So 33 straight, not 31. And I'm expecting support to come in around here. Around 42, sorry, not 32, around 42, where we're currently at. Oh, get back in your hole, oil. Don't say that. Clove rising again. If Clove goes up, oil goes down. It runs the market now. Clove. Clove is a health stock, isn't it?
Yes. Clover Health.
It's not a oil energy stock, so I think you might be wrong over there on that one. I need a whole lot of, here we go, trade going the wrong way on me. Here we go. I'm trying to jinx the market for you, my guy. Here we go. Whatever direction you needed to go in, let's go into that one instead, please. Shut down, guys. You're shut down? Oh, man. What an emotional roller coaster on ENSV.
Actually, like on that Clover, I'm not sure if you were bringing that news up about that from earlier today, that it's up after Chelsea Clinton buys 100,000 shares of company.
Who's that?
I have no idea.
Who's this Chelsea?
But according to Icon, this is the reason for Clover Health to go higher. Chelsea Clinton.
Who's Chelsea Clinton? Is she related to
American writer and
is.
global health advocate.
She's a daughter of Hillary and Bill Clinton.
Nice.
So I was just trying to see if she is related to Clinton. She is, and is she like a big time trader?
She is American writer and global health advocate.
She's on the board. Got it. So that's what. She's into healthcare. She's on the board, and she bought 100,000 shares of Clover Health. So there's the news. Bill Clinton's daughter. Got it. Sell signal on NASDAQ. Sell signal on NASDAQ. Sell signal on NASDAQ. I mean, I guess. I think we're just testing supports right now, so I don't really see the sell signal, to be honest. Hillary is a big-time trader. Fair. Old news. Okay,
Yeah,
sure.
it was very early, guys. The news came like yesterday at 9:41 a.m. Sorry, but like I don't
That's
know if you
fine.
were like talking even about this.
No, that's fine. I mean, that's
Now
news for
we
me.
know that they have a daughter.
I mean, they have multiple daughters apparently. I was just going through the list over there. He
Yeah.
has like 5 kids.
Okay.
I think he has like 5 kids that I just saw over there. Let me just quickly go bang and see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then yeah, Chelsea is 5, so he has 5 kids. Where we're going to?
She's the only children of U.S. President Bill Clinton and former Hillary Clinton.
Only child?
It says.
It says only child?
Yeah.
Oh wait, maybe it was her kids that I saw there. Am I dumb? Hold up, that's her kids. Okay, I'm dumb. Never mind. That's her kids, not Bill's kids. Oh my goodness, I'm getting it all wrong over here. Yeah. I got it wrong.
Sorry, guys, we got confused.
No, she's the only child. Got it. Prad is the fake news. Yeah, we need true social media over here. Who has the answers? True social media. We
And
need
Mr.
true.
Clean music starts to play, right?
Mr. Clean. It's the same song in
No,
Europe.
we have Mr. Proper, веселей, доме чище, два быстрее, Mr.
That sounds
Proper.
the same.
Yeah?
Sounds the same. I think so. I gotta listen to the Mr. Clean one.
Yeah, we just brought it up.
SoFi, not Sifu. SoFi. I typed in Sifu, but SoFi back under $10. Wah. What are we gonna do? Not much that we can do about that. But the market getting ready to go back north here. That sell signal that you're talking about. This is why I was a little scared for that sell signal, because I think 4,200 needs to go get tested. Have the confirmation of the 4,200 breaking to the downside. Then I think that's a big sell signal. But if 4,200 holding on the ES, which is S&P 500, I don't think that's a sell signal at that point. I think we're ripping to the north side. I actually need to go throw an order here. Throw an order, and then throw in also another order, and we're good. She's on the board of directors. Yeah, Neil just corrected me on that side. Obviously I don't even know who she is until today. Learning about her is actually a good thing. Apparently she was big into health over there, so her being on the board is going to be very helpful. Very helpful. We're moving. Who knows what other kids Bill has? Oh my God! Stop that nonsense! Stop that nonsense! Market moving down as we thought we should. So 4,200 test coming in for ES. Where am I typing?
CI.
Sean just said look at CEI, so we're gonna go look at CEI. CEI moving up to 130, and I'm guessing he's happy for his long, man. He's happy for his long position. But ES H22, that 4,200 retest coming in very soon. Let's see if we can actually hold up at 4,200, or do we crack to the downside and struggle for S&P 500 on the day. I am now back on the flat on the day today after getting bent over on the futures. I gave back almost a lot of money on the futures, and I grinded it all back on these two stocks right here. Just these two stocks alone, grinding it all back to flat on the day. Now time to start making some money on the day. Let's do it.
Let's do it indeed. And also, like, I see this in here, Prad, that you remember from on bottom performance list. We have ISPO, INDO. Those two names used to be among top performers for a week, I believe. Now, through top performance, we have EP, ENSV, and 9. So ENSV again, it's clean energy, right?
Yeah.
ENSV. So yeah, clean energy bringing money to us today. And the most active volume still CEI, MULN, and we still have AMD in here also. AMD having a good volume recently.
AMD doing great volume always. We love seeing doing what AMD is doing. I think every time the low floats are actually on the lower end of volume, AMD is the #1 on the volume leaderboard. So a blue chip stock doing that type of volume, having that type of momentum, we love seeing that overall, right? So yeah, congratulations to anyone who's trading AMD. You guys know how much of a fan I am on that stock. I love that stock. I'm still long on that position at 103, and I've been literally like I saw it come back to 100 3 times now, and then just rip past that 100 level. So AMD, we just love that stock at 100, especially at 100. We love that stock. We like the stock. We like the
would
stock.
like you to like this video again, guys. If you just joined us, please make sure you smash the like button. Just 9 minutes left until the end of Market Movers. You will go back to Neil, Sean, and Brandon. Still a lot of opportunities left for you. I'm personally having a very profitable day, so that's why I just for small recap, I don't want to ruin it because again, great day, but for you, I wish a lot of great opportunities and hope you will support us and smash the like button.
Yeah, guys, ladies and gentlemen, you know how much we cry, beg, plead, ask for that 1,000 likes per day. We would like for that to happen. We're quite a bit away from there, and we only have 9 minutes left on this show. Maybe not even 9. We have 8 minutes and 30 seconds left. So let's not make it the first day after 3-4 months, please.
On Happy National
On
Women's
Happy
Day.
Women's Day for Miss V, let's get that to 1K.
Please,
For
guys.
the Women's National Women's Day, for Maggie, for Miss V, for Liz, for everyone's moms, for everyone's girlfriends, for your wives, everyone out there, smash that like button.
For Margot Robbie.
For Margot, especially for Margot Robbie. Let me actually go pay a company to smash the like button for Margot Robbie, because that's how much that like button deserves to be smashed for Margot. No, all jokes aside, I appreciate everyone who is running the number up right now. We're already at 944, very close, 50 away from 1K, and very close to doing the infamous shimmy. Shimmy. So yeah. Market's still coming to the downside, guys. ES, let me get rid of this right here, and we'll do the shimmy dance when we hit the 1K, or if we hit the 1K. ES/H22CM. So ES coming back down to 4,200, almost trying to find support in front of 42. It needs to find support in front of 4,200, or it's not going to be a good thing to see the market be down almost 1%, then go up almost 1%, and then come back down flat, and then actually end negative on the day. That's way too much of a mood swing for me to handle. So if that's way too much mood swing for me to handle, I don't know how you guys are handling it. Obviously, your mental fortitude is probably better than mine, because I'm losing my brain cells watching what's going on in the market. 4,200 retest coming in very soon. Everyone praying that it holds for their long-term account. Everyone's just praying that it holds for their long-term account. 420 needs to hold. Please, 420, just hold. Thanks for the great show, Miss V and Prad. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Jazzy Jazz. Oh, they're talking to them. I thought they were talking to us. Thank you, Jazzy Jazz. We appreciate you every time you guys come by, every single one of you.
Wait. Get your shoulders ready. 998 likes. 1K likes! Thank you, team. We appreciate you so much. And while we're hyping on likes in here, we've got also a new member sending files. Welcome to the family, to the green side, to the 1K likes day, and happy National Women's Day. Thank you, team.
You guys are the best, man. You ladies and you girls, you guys and girls, every single one of you, smash that like button every single day for the past 3-4 months now. Even during my down days, when I have really moody days, when I'm not really at the best of my abilities as a host for you guys, you know, I apologize for when that happens. And even then, you guys are willing to smash that like button. I know really it's for Miss V. I know
we love you and appreciate you as you are, and it's
yeah.
No Miss V or Prad.
No, I know
we are
it's
the
for
team.
Miss V. I know it's all
we
for
are
Miss
the
V.
team, and only together.
It's for Miss V. We know it. We know it. Hey, listen, I would do it too. If I was them, I would for sure smash that like button for you every single day.
Thank you. You already do.
That's just me being a lower level simp than they are. They're your simps, just so you know. But I would do it too.
I love my sims.
Exactly. We love all of you guys, man. beautiful day today. My day just turned around from negative to a positive, and now I'm about to make my shutdown. What a joke. How did this even happen? I guess I should not have touched futures to begin with. I don't know why I thought I was Arun today, and I touched futures, and I got beat up and literally have to work my butt off on the equities over here. And thankfully now we're in the money. Let's see if we can actually keep some of this money going into the close time. 4 more minutes left for market movers. Blonde and Blondie show. Can ES actually hold up in front of 4,200, or are we gonna go negative on the day? ES is now only up 0.15%, and Nasdaq is up only 0.5% after being almost up 1 or 2% on the day for Nasdaq. So everything's turning back to the downside. AMD 110 short was absolutely mamma mia mint. It was so beautiful. Nvidia, where's Nvidia right now? Nvidia coming off in front of 224. I don't know if I would have shorted that, but that 220 break to the downside right now is something to keep a watch on. But at the end, I think all of it depends on really ES holding that 420 level. ES/H22CM. ES holding that 420, 4,200 level is what everything depends on for this market. It's either chop a tree and call timber, or strap on booster rockets and go to the moon. Only two directions possible. If there's any more sideways action going into the close here, I'm going to be very upset. Miss V, what do you think the market's going to do going into the close today?
This is a good question, Prad. I think that hopefully we will hold that positivity. I don't want markets to go back to negative territory. Hopefully we will be like at least flat by the end of the day. I think we have all the chances for that. Like I don't see any really bad news coming up soon. I mean, there are some, but again, I will just hope for positivity. You never know. You like throw me there. Am I a crystal ball to you?
No, I mean, I'm just asking your opinion,
I'm kidding,
right?
yeah.
I think you're right. I think it's very much possible that we just end sideways flat because like, and then everyone's so exhausted and the market just goes sideways. That's what I'm thinking too. So I think you're right, but who knows? Now we're 0% on the S&P 500, right?
But for Tesla though, I'm kind of feel like Tesla won't break to negative territory today. It's up more than 3% on the day, and starting from the open and didn't break VWAP up to the downside. So I think Tesla is the one who might hold that positivity. But again, if big stocks hold positivity, it will help markets to remain
100%.
in the positive territory. So let's hope for that. I mean, only if you're not short biased, guys.
Yeah, 100%. I hope everything works out for everybody at the end of the day, you know, because we love you, we care for you, and we enjoy watching you guys come by. Last 60 seconds left on the market here. Quick recap of what's going on the market. ES trying its best to bounce off of in front of 4,200, which is exactly what we needed to do. I'm typing in the wrong box here. Let me go here. NQ/H22CM. Nasdaq bouncing off in front of 13,350, which is also good. Still up on the day for Nasdaq, but ES is pretty much flat, very, very flat, and could turn red if we break below 4,200. And your oil stocks, CEI now back in the green on the day for CEI. What? CEI back in the green on the day and actually up 5% now after being down 10%. Lost for words. I can't even speak anymore. But anyway, CEI back in the positive. Where's IMPP? IMPP still red on the day, and HUSA, I'm guessing, is still red on the day. Your oil stock still the hottest girl on the block, and you know the sector to go to, the sector in play happens to be oil, energy, and all the basket stocks around them. And obviously we do have the outlier, which is MULN. Let's quickly go look at MULN. Still above $1 and only up 3% right now, whereas we were up a little bit higher before. Overall, market's getting ready to find support, and we needed to find support.
And we are ready to give up, not give up, but give your support to Neil, Sean, and Brandon's hands. We love you guys. Thank you so much for a wonderful time together. Have fun. I wish you all the luck for the last 2 hours of this trading day.
Make sure you guys go over and smash the like button on their show too. And also come back tomorrow, same time, same place.
Пока-пока.
Пока-пока.
Hey guys, welcome to the close. 2 hours to go in a crazy trading session once again. unbelievable range from bottom to top, and now we're more than halfway back again. 100 handle move, in fact, on the S&P 500 from the bottom to the top. Now back to the middle. So here we go. There it is, exactly in the middle. In fact, just went red again on the S&P. We were down, we were up impressively, and now back to negative.